Morning, everyone. Welcome to
Right.
Slideshow with the Boys. Today we'll be going through my holiday photos from France. Uh, we have lots of nice images of where I got my ice cream, where I went for a walk. We'll be going through each one individually. I'll be getting feedback from Wesley, Dave, and Palmetto. I hope you all enjoy.
You already know what my feedback's going to be.
Like, are you kidding me? This is not
Did you
going
like
to
the
be
intro?
slideshow
Did you
with the
like?
boys.
You told me to do the intro. I did
This
my
is
intro.
not going
Right?
to be holiday slideshow with the boys.
I'm kind of down. I didn't get to see any photos
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
other than
Thank
the
you.
ones you said.
I'm glad people are on board.
Yeah.
How could you not see the photos? I mean, how many did he post in the Discord?
I posted a few, but not all of them. That's why we have
Yeah, not all
Slideshow
of
with the
them.
Boys, a special Thursday
Exactly.
stream.
Oh, yeah, okay. All right, good morning, all. Morning, Gumby. Martin, Khaled, welcome back. Are you home yet, Khaled? Are you back in
He
Canada?
is. He is. He has a little stay in London. He went to saw some nice photos from London with him and his boy.
Oh, yeah? Nice.
Yeah.
Morning,
Nice
Albu.
guy.
Hey, Albu, congrats on the first post on YouTube. Nice trading plan this morning, by the way.
Oh.
If you haven't checked
Yeah,
out
I'm gonna go
Albu's
check
page
that
yet,
out.
go check it out.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I will
I
after.
know.
Let's
That's
go.
what I said, too.
For trading
Albu, we
content,
still got to
check out
get you on
Albu's
camera,
channel.
though, brother. You got to you got to get the camera on. Well, guys, what are we seeing today? CPI came in a little hot. So we saw a little downside. I still like longs on holds above 20,250. I know Palmetto and I were talking about that earlier. Palmetto, you said your line in the sand was 20,400, which we're currently trading below.
Yeah. I still have another level at 23,000 or 23. Nice. All-time highs. 300 to. Hold on.
Oh, no. Albu's already saying your camera angle looks weird, Nims.
Oh my god!
Great.
What am I meant to do?
I was gonna say it looks
What?
like you're like sideways in a spaceship.
Yeah, I really don't.
Because
It's
I'm
trippy.
trying to prop the camera up and it keeps like moving. I don't have anything good to go and prop it up.
So here's the thing.
It
Let
is a
me
little
adjust.
trippy.
Here's the thing, Palm. He was a little upset that Phoenix had
we
some
got the bait.
blackmail, some blackmail on him with the camera angles from the Trading with the Boys streams, and he posted them in Level Up Discord.
Okay. What do you mean blackmail?
Just some funny looking shot of Nims during the stream.
Okay. I see.
Well, that's at any moment.
Wrangling
Just-
his camera
just-
right now.
Take a moment in that.
I'm gonna stay in the spaceship. It looks like, guys.
Yeah.
It does kind of
okay,
look
sorry.
like the room is sideways, like your house isn't level.
That's what I'm saying. Honestly, I mean, it's fine. Like, it works. I can't hear you now.
That'd be the best thing.
Look
Nims,
at
I can't
this.
hear you.
It's like an earthquake is going on in London right
Yeah.
now. Yeah, that's better. That's better. We
Yeah,
can't hear you
Okay,
though,
we
Nims.
all right. We all
There we go.
happy? I can't press push to talk and sort the mic out. All right. Albu was complaining. People were complaining. Phoenix will just be gathering blackmail shots on me if the camera's not
Martin
right.
says professional
Alright.
photographer, huh?
Yes,
Yeah, pretty much.
correct. Yeah.
Martin's pretty much spot on. That's,
Anyways, I had 331 down to 309 as like another area to look at.
Okay.
I guess my line in the sand isn't entirely accurate because I would consider longs off of that 330s level that we already held once. But anything below that is like, well, we're back in the range. I'm looking for shorts.
I on the 15-minute on the NASDAQ, I kind of like 230, 240 if it wants to get down there.
I
After
want
that, I mean, that's a
205.
target. I think we go down at the open.
205 would be
think so.
yesterday's
Yeah, I know.
overnight lows, like the bottom of that range.
I mean, I'd like to
Morning,
think we have
Savvy.
a little bit of a pullback. It has been straight up, kind of. Sorry, guys,
I mean,
I have
it's
to
just been
reload my charts here.
It's been consolidating
Okay.
since the
Is everyone happy with the camera now? Do we want to voice any more complaints? Now my sound is gone. Can everyone hear me, or is that just delayed?
Yeah, we can hear you. No, we
Oh,
can hear you.
I can hear
alright.
you.
I mean, it's not bad if you can't hear me, to be fair.
1 minute to open.
Jeez, it's taking a while for my charts to load here, which has me worried about the stream.
Oh boy.
I know.
no.
Boy.
Mate, can I get that PC?
I mean, OBS appears to be running. I'm picking up
Okay,
everything.
click
It hasn't given me any signals yet,
buttons.
but this is taking a while for my charts to load. A long time.
Does that mean we're about to dump?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, quick. West can't trade right now. Let's get all 300 points of movement out of the way.
Yeah.
Morning, Phil. Yeah, what's going on here? Let's get the load going. Why is this taking
Here
forever?
we go. At about 10 seconds.
Guys, I will not be trading tomorrow. I made some plans with a friend, so I won't be around. Just to give everybody a heads
You've got
up.
other friends apart from us? What is this?
Of course. Of course, I've got in
course.
real life friends. All right, markets are open.
Full disclosure to the chat. I woke up like 25 minutes ago,
yeah.
Who woke you
and
up?
it was Nipkins calling me. It's my
I feel like your dad.
fail-safe alarm.
Come on, Pawn. Smoke
Dad.
tonight. Yeah.
Morning, Ollie.
I'm kind of old enough to be your dad, to be fair.
Savvy, good morning. Hopefully you avoided the hurricane.
Yeah, like a very young dad.
Yeah.
Morning, Donna.
Well, I'm short 53. Let's see what happens.
Already. You're getting paid.
Break even. Break even. Probably gonna take
What are you
it.
looking for?
Stopped out.
I was looking for overnight lows at a minimum.
Uh,
And I'm out break even, but that's okay.
it is okay.
I-
Good trade.
Actually, I made $10.
Nice. That's a win.
All right, guys.
still
My
think it heads
heating and
down.
cooling company will be here in about 20 minutes. So,
All right,
takes
okay.
about 20 minutes.
All right, slideshow 20 minutes, guys. Get ready.
No. We're not doing Nim's holiday slideshow. That's not what's
Why
going
not?
on
Okay.
here.
That's what the people want. Have you asked them if they would like to
Taking
see?
that 10 points.
That's not what people want.
We're just doing a little bit of variety.
We don't need to see 100
Wait, are
pictures
you-
of you in a members only jacket.
Right.
We could. I
exactly.
could put it on. I could put it on and do the slideshow.
Mason
come
has
on.
Mason has to step in. Mason's
Look at this
taking a little
call.
time off right now. I don't even think Mason's trading right now.
Well, this is interesting. It's going to just go up here? No.
I mean, it better. I
I
probably
don't
should have
think
locked
it
in.
will. I don't think it will. I think it'll go down.
Wes, are you keeping the stream up or are you
Yeah.
closing it down?
Yeah. The stream will be up. Don't worry. We'll have
Stream-
time for the slideshow.
you guys will be
I was just double checking.
still be doing your things. The only thing I can't do is show your charts, unfortunately.
It's all good.
Right. Do I lock in the 40 points, Dave?
Yes. Absolutely.
But what about 50?
When did you get long?
Oh,
I
before
got long
way,
at
way
50
early.
yesterday's IBH.
You got long. Yeah. Before open, didn't you?
No, I killed that one break even.
Oh, okay. Yep. Is it
Come on, a
pumping?
little bit higher. Come
Um,
I mean, I just can't take shorts at the moment, so it's always going to be longs.
yeah, it's kind of hard to short this market, isn't it?
I agree.
Yeah, it really is.
Albu is disagreeing in the chat.
What I say is, after I took a short,
Top Step uses vMix. Oh, for their production is what you're talking about, Martin?
Interesting.
okay.
Oh, was that some lag on Wesley?
Yeah, it's pretty laggy. I think it's just my PC. Like what I'm operating on right now is an i5 that's just not able to handle.
My God. Thank you, Martin. Martin, how'd you find that out? Did you ask in their Discord?
Did you say you're seriously operating on a Pentium? What you just said?
i5. A Pentium.
What is a Pentium?
Yep, dual core.
Integrated graphics.
You remember when those first came out, Dave?
Yes, I do.
And everybody-
Yes,
it was
I
all
do.
the rage. Dual core processing.
Ooh, cool. Wow.
Oh, they said it on stream. Good to know.
I'll
Oh,
look
good to
into
know,
it.
yeah.
Yeah, what's it called? VMix?
I'll be right back.
Dual core potato, Gumby says.
Well, it got hot enough you could bake a potato.
Yeah, it's just with everything that's required to do. Like, it's fine on my solo streams. Everything runs smooth and fine. It's just when I'm pulling signal from everywhere, every source. There's a lot of applications open and running at the same time right now.
Down to equilibrium. Yesterday's range. Here we go. It's just going to barcode here. Yeah, that came down. That opening candle came just down to equilibrium of yesterday's range, total range of yesterday, and then bounced back up.
Yeah,
still
I
think
wouldn't
we
mind
broke that.
a drop down here and to test this
Oh,
20,250.
whoa.
Palmetto turned off his camera and messed up the whole stream.
Oh my god.
Did I really? I'm sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, because it's
Wait, what-
window
how did-
captures that are capturing your cameras. So it jacked everything
Oh,
all
it's
up.
not. I'm sorry. Oh man, yeah, I cooked it. That's my bad. I thought it would just keep the camera in the same
What
spot.
has he done?
There it goes. There we go.
No, because it's a window capture from Discord. That's
Yes.
that. So when
Yeah, sorry. I
when
had to go-
Discord moves it around, when you turn off your camera, it moves all the windows around.
Yeah, that's my bad. I'm sorry. I had to go like rinse my face out. I've been having so much trouble with my eyes recently.
Join
Like
the club.
every morning, I have to just like splash water in my face at least 2 or 3 times.
Join the club. I think I might try along here.
Oh, welcome. Come join.
Oh, that's interesting. Right into one of your red boxes, huh?
I know. I wanted to see it go up to 400 first and come back and test 380 and hold, but
Yeah, 400s might take profit.
Where are you in
Do we
long
have
from
news?
again, Nims?
I didn't check
Oh,
news.
352.
just CPI earlier came in a little
And
hot.
clear for the rest.
I think so. I'm checking right now.
Yeah, me too.
Got a couple of Fed speakers as usual, so that'll.
My favorite. Yeah.
I
it's
hate
pretty much
it.
clear.
Can I stop speaking? Just do like the important announcements, and then can we just like skip the rest of it?
Yeah, honestly.
They really shouldn't have them speak at all.
Albu just sent me a DM that says you need to change Palm and Dave when you turned off your camera, Palm, because the cameras went all wonky.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait, have you fixed it?
Yeah, all you
Yeah,
gotta do
we're
is
back
leave
to
the camera
normal.
on and it's fixed.
Okay.
My bad. I didn't realize it would actually change if my camera was off. I thought it would just keep it highlighted on the tile and just like show my little logo thing. That's it.
Yeah,
Yes,
you're not up
okay.
early for Wesley for the aggressive. Do not change your camera. Do not change any settings in the stream participant.
Yeah, like if
Alright.
if we were capturing the cameras from like Skype, that wouldn't be an issue. But it
Okay.
doesn't like it keeps once you don't share your camera, Discord likes to move everything around for whatever reason.
Yeah.
We're just bouncing around, not doing anything.
Yep. Yes, we are.
Dave's kind of flickering in and out for me.
Yeah, Dave is flickering in and out.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's not
I'm
good.
getting lag on everyone's voices. That might be my end.
Oh, that's not.
Everyone's
Well, I was
coming-
looking at some. That's not good.
I mean, you're back to normal now. It was like 2 or 3 times.
Yeah, I went
Everything's
to
coming
check-
through clear for me.
Yeah, everything's fine. Dave, are you messing around with settings in Discord or something?
No, I'm messing around in different Discord. That's all. I wanted to see what the VIX was.
Dave, stop messing around, all right?
There we go.
And the golf
Now we
course.
There we go. Should be good now. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Clicking buttons. Everybody's clicking buttons.
I'm not clicking any buttons, all right? It's not my fault today.
We're never going to make it
Once.
easy on Wes.
It's all
But
right.
you knew what
guys
you're
are on-
signing up
guys
for
are
when
on
you
your
put us
own
numbskulls.
here in a minute.
Slideshow time.
I'm telling you. I don't know why Wes is surprised what we're doing to him when he
Nah.
sends into this.
I'm not
Wes
surprised
doesn't think
at all.
Wes doesn't think I can do slideshow because I don't have his OBS. But little does he know we have a Discord where we can go through the images together, and I can post them one by one as we talk through them.
How are you gonna do that?
Wow, this is
I'll post them on the Discord, and then we'll talk. I'll number each image, and we'll talk about image one.
You're gonna post them in
image
level
two.
up and then talk about
Yeah.
them on the live
Yeah,
stream with my
correct.
charts
Yeah,
showing.
yeah.
Presentation.
And then
This is
if I
absurd.
number the images, then we can talk. People can have a discussion
When I
about
go
each
back
image
to
and
watch
ask
this stream,
questions.
when people are watching this stream, they're gonna have no idea what you're talking about.
oh,
I mean,
man.
they should have been live. Now, then it will encourage them to tune in live at the time.
I mean, like this is in the top 2 of bad ideas in the history of the world.
It's not.
Wow.
All right. Okay.
Yeah.
Big
Okay.
statement.
With all the dictators and wars, you're adding this into like the top worst ideas.
Yes, I am. Yes,
I feel that's a bit unfair. And I think there will be people out there which will enjoy my holiday photos.
yes. Make a move.
Yeah, please make a move,
Yeah, it's pretty
but not that way.
ugly.
Well, maybe it was. Yeah,
Yeah,
but it's
just
too early.
back and
For,
forth.
too early for this move.
These first
Yep, it's not a
15
move.
minutes every day have just been
Dire.
boring.
Yeah.
Boring.
I do too, Ollie. But I'd like us to kind of go down further before we get that retrace, because it feels like it wants to do that.
Yeah, Ollie, a full retrace of news up to the top would be lovely.
Here we go.
But
We're
it
gonna
doesn't
start
look like we're
doing
gonna
a
get it.
bit of a move here.
But yesterday's IBH has been holding us up.
Morning, DCD. Welcome.
Hey, morning, DCD. This is, yeah, you're right. This movement first 15 minutes has just been, let me blow everybody's accounts.
Sideways.
It's terrible. Yeah.
Straight sideways.
We could be
Are you
looking at
still in your
holiday
log?
photos.
Nibkins, are you still in your long?
Yeah.
Nice.
I mean, there's been no invalidation for it yet.
No, I
That'll be
agree.
The next candle.
We're just holding up above 50.
Yeah.
Now, ES and NQ are kind of on the same wavelength. Morning, Jack.
I mean, if we do come back up and I get offered 40 points again, I'll probably take it this time.
And I don't want to have to say I told you so again on this.
I mean, yeah.
Morning, Jack. Here comes the Nims. Take your 20 points.
Take your 20 points, Nim. Seriously, man.
It's just 25 points.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. Is this hurting you, Dave? Because I'm not taking it.
Yeah, I'm not seeing much on Bookmap either right now. DCD. I see a block down here at 300, but I don't even know if that's all that big. I mean, we're all-time high trading on the ES, so just keep that in mind. It could just be grind higher all day, slowly but
Oh
surely.
boy. Look. Yuck.
I mean, CPI wasn't that hot for it to like force us down much. It's just a better buy price. That's all I'm looking at.
I mean,
How
if
do you
it
feel about
wants to come up-
Nvidia trading over 130, Nims? How do you feel about it?
It's fun. I own Nvidia. So do you, Wesley.
Yep.
Technically, I own some.
Like the
Whether
400 target, Ollie.
I think people are stupid, which are continuing to buy at this price, is
It
another
makes him
question.
so angry when he sees Nvidia go up. It makes him
It's just-
so angry.
The thing is worth $80 a share.
I mean, I agree. Okay, it is overvalued. However,
And
d-
their
I told
earnings is
you,
gonna
dumb
crash
money is
us.
going to continue to buy Nvidia. Dumb money will.
We'll go
continue buy it.
we'll go to all-time highs. Nvidia will crash us, and then we'll be back at Cockroach Motel at 20k.
I like 400 as a target, Ollie.
Oh, so now you're on board after telling me to take my 20 points.
For Ollie, not for you.
Okay, don't do that. Don't curse me, Mike. Maybe we're not doing anything.
Doing a darn thing for now, and it's just going to chop it out here. Nothing to do.
Yeah,
Well,
we
how
are
long,
going
Dave?
sideways, right in between my
Yes.
2 levels.
Same.
Yeah, that's a hands-off
Oh.
zone then.
It is tough.
I mean, the only level which I had here, which was the yesterday's IBH, which was a good buy. So, and it seems to have been playing between days because the previous day's IBH was overnight low. So,
Yeah, DCD, I'm with you. I might not find a trade.
Yeah.
I mean, it might not
I had a
happen today.
10
Might be the day where the market goes sideways and takes a breath here.
I had a 10-pointer pre-market. That was about it. After news.
okay, come on. I'll just break that wick. Get me my
Breaks that
50
wick.
points so I can be all smug.
I'm going to give this till about
Actually, Palmetto, the
47.
way this is shaping up, this might be the day where your IB trade might be the trade of the day.
100%.
It might be.
October's been so bad for it, dude. I don't care.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Don't
give up on it yet.
hype him up in case it doesn't play.
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying this
don't
might
give up
be
on
the
it,
IB
Paul.
trade day.
I can only hope.
And it makes back
After
all
the
the
run
other
it's
IB
had-
trades from October.
It would.
It-
That's
it
the
had-
point. It's like a
Well, I'm
6
just
hour
saying,
trade.
if it
So I can
continues
take
to go
6 stocks, take
sideways-
1, 2, 3.
If it continues to go sideways for the next half an hour, I can
Set it
nearly guarantee that the IB trade is going to be the trade of the day. Can nearly
Yeah.
guarantee it.
Yeah, I agree with that. I agree 100%. I love that IB trade.
All right, come on. Double
Oh,
top.
DCD, you're an FVG guy, huh? I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not even going.
I
to
love
say
fair
it.
value
Yeah.
gaps.
Not
Dave,
even
Fair
what
gonna
did you-
say
value gaps all the way.
Dave, what do you think of ICT's performance in the Robins?
I just, listen, I can't even watch his videos. I go somewhere else to learn his concept. 'cause it's
Okay,
just
okay.
brutal.
Oh,
This
it's
is headed down.
unbelievable.
I like this is a rejection. off of this.
Oh,
Yeah, I told you. Wouldn't listen to Dave.
God.
Nobody wants to listen to him.
Still hold.
No. This one's
Just
going
gathering a
downtown.
little for the.
Going downtown.
No way this range holds through IB. I don't know, man. The range is the range.
That's true.
The mindset.
I mean, somebody out there's killing it. Somebody out there's shorting 380. Somebody out there's buying 340. Somebody's killing it.
Yeah, I've tried range trading. It's so hard though.
Oh, I know.
Like I was never able to
Here we go.
just have like the conviction to be able to step in front of like the bottom of the range, for example.
I am short,
And then every time I did, I'd
58.
get run over. Short
and I'm off 3
58.
now. 2 runners. Yep. I tried to get in short earlier, and it broke me even a couple of times. Now I'm break even on the stop.
Nice.
I'm telling you,
Here
it's
we
this
go.
overnight low. It's running it.
Starting
Here we
to see a
go. It's
lot,
running it.
some aggressive selling coming in.
All right, well,
got-
Phil, you were right.
I went 5
Phil nailed it.
macros, and I took 3 off already. And let's see what we get here.
Question is this just a fake out?
No, I don't think so. Maybe.
Looks pretty aggressive.
It
Very
does.
aggressive.
October OCT traders are real. Ollie circle traders.
So good. Now, does this bounce back up, or does it hold overnight lows?
Sitting right on 320.
Yeah. I'm moving my stop down just to collect a little bit more. I've only got 2 micros here.
Dude, I'm like still asleep. It's just tough.
All right, so here's what I like. I like 300 for sure. Obviously, it's already 316. What did we say earlier? I thought I like something lower than that. Love this trade. Bill, this is it, buddy. Was that DCT? Was that did that?
DCD got it.
He got the FPG. Yeah, DCD. That's it right here, man. I'm with you. I got in later. But you could just see that candle. And it was the time. The time point was right too. It was like 9:47, 9:46. And now you're going to have the 10-minute. Now you're going to have the 10 of algo. It may come up after this.
I wouldn't blame you at all, DCD, if you called it a day after that. Take what you can get. I mean, looking at the daily.
Yep, I'm out at 308. I'm just taking it there.
Nice
So-
trade.
That was from 59 down to 309.
Nims, you're awfully quiet. I know
It's
you
got
went
further to
along
go.
earlier. What'd you do? Are you still
Oh no, I got stopped out for 10 points.
Okay.
I'm sure this goes.
Yeah,
further
when
down,
it
but I'm happy
didn't
with what I
push
got.
to the thing and things, I just put in to take a little bit out of it.
Oh, it was a trailing stop for 10?
Yeah.
Okay. Sick. I was gonna say you let it go 25 points up and then 10 points down on you.
It went it went 40. Yeah, it went 40 points up.
This might be a great exit here.
It looks like it. You thinking about the long Wes?
Yep.
Me too.
I've got a level 320 to 300. Where are
I
we?
was gonna say I like a revisit of like 320 for a potential long.
I'm up 400 on the day. I'm not sure. This had better be a setup next for me.
You say
yeah.
that now, Dave. You say that now. Next
I
thing,
know.
next,
Golf
week,
clap
next,
for
next
Dave.
thing we hear from Dave is 3 minis long.
Yeah, a little
I'm-
golf clap for Dave.
Yeah, that's right.
A little golf clap for Dave.
Look, I'm gonna put it in the holster.
For 1
I've
minute.
just seen a
Yeah,
lot of
there's
stuff.
Until it's-
320.
A lot of
Yeah,
stuff.
I don't love that as much. I think you could take it, but like 20 points of risk, kind of a lot.
Albu. That's right. We're not talking about VWAP Albu. I don't even know what you're talking about. I don't know what those words mean. Those letters mean.
You don't know what those letters mean.
First, I thought he was talking about what they used to call Italians in the country. So I don't think that's it.
Are you golfing today, Dave?
No, I did yesterday, and tomorrow and Saturday I'm in a in a tournament.
You gonna bring
Oh,
home
yeah.
the cup?
awesome.
You gonna bring
tonight
home
we
the
have
cup,
the
Dave?
Calcutta. What's that?
You bring home the cup?
Boy, I'd like to on this one.
Is that prize
it's,
money?
Oh yeah, because there's a Calcutta tonight, man. Each team minimum bid is $1,000, so that's a big
Oh.
issue. But so there'll be
I am long, guys.
nice.
Mm.
I like the long. Gotta tell you.
You long 320?
Break even stop. I'm already out.
Oh, where'd you go long, Wes?
330.
Look at this.
Good exit, Dave.
Thank you, DCD. I hope you got out with some.
Should have held. I have a feeling that was just a quick liquidity sweep below the news, well, quote unquote
Phoenix.
news lows. The drop from the news. And here comes the recovery back up to VWAP.
Well, 320 held.
Yep.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, we
I
were,
didn't
seeing,
think
we were seeing the same
320 was
thing,
nice.
Palm. And I have a level at 330 to 350, so it made sense.
I don't know. Yeah, my level's 300 to 320. It held perfect.
And you had overnight lows sitting right there. So a bounce is expected.
I want some more excitement.
All right, guys, you guys are on your own. Heating company.
All
issue.
right,
Stream
slide
takeover.
show
Stream
time.
takeover.
Very dangerous. Very
Get
dangerous.
those photos up.
What's your normal job, Palm?
I work in a tax assessor's office in my town.
Okay.
Nice.
So, assessor's office. I don't know how it works in England, but assessor's office here is like the assessor's office tells people how much their stuff is worth, and then the collector's office is the one that actually taxes them. So I'm not.
So
I'm
you
not the
assess
evil
like
person.
values of properties
Not
and then
the evil
see how much
person.
tax there is on it.
Yeah, we assess the values of properties essentially, of like
Oh, okay.
cars, real estate, homes, business, personal property.
Fun or
So
boring?
I try to be as fair as I can. Trading's way cooler though.
Yeah. I can imagine. All right, Dave, you in a position? You long?
No. I'm sitting on hands right now.
Looks like a good
It's
long.
got to. It needs to get through this 15-minute fair value gap, 5-minute fair value gap for me to think long again. 15-minute one. It's got to close that.
Honestly, the initial short when we went through the overnight low, the initial short on that, like 322-ish, wasn't a bad trade.
I
Just didn't
jumped in
really
at
see it.
Yeah, I jumped in at 359, just front running that overnight low. That
Nice.
candle looked like it had momentum, and it did, obviously.
Yeah, it's clean.
I mean, I am
Hey, Kevin,
long
good morning.
332.
But now the longs, yeah, that's a good.
Yeah,
Oh,
332.75. Can I actually get to 400 now? Because
So,
I'm trying this
Donna,
twice.
you went at 321. Was that like, hey, I'm going to get in after it broke overnight low and came back above it? Is that what you were thinking, or was it a different way that you had that level?
You're talking to Donna.
Yeah, because she went long at
I didn't know
321.
if you were talking to me.
No, because you should have taken your profit earlier, like I asked you.
What? Hey. All right.
Yeah, I say that's where I'm at. DCD too, same thing.
If we can break the top of this and keep climbing.
Ah, got it. It was what? Okay, that makes sense, Donna.
All right,
Which,
Dave,
it
should I
was what
take the
it being
50
overnight.
points?
Well, you know me. I just took 50, so yeah. But that's it. Hey, listen, you got to do you.
Yeah. I just want to see if we can break these top of these wicks, but I guess there's the VWAP sellers and everything which are going to come in. I'd like 70 out of it.
Wait, sorry, what? Is
I want
his
70,
level?
I
Is
want
it
70
small?
points out of this trade, but I feel I might be being a bit greedy.
Why? Yeah. How many? What you got a mini on, or what do you have on?
No. It's two micros. I'm not doing minis on the
okay.
stream.
All right.
Is DLX Donna?
Yes.
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 Donna, what were you asking? Is it Palm what? Mutiny? Yes, absolutely mutiny.
100%. See, Nims?
Yeah. The VWAP rejection is everything that I was talking about. I think if we get the push up through it.
Here's the thing: you can get out and get back in if you want.
No. What's the point in that? Buying at different, worse prices.
You should get. Well, all right. Hey, Donna went flat. I'm just telling you.
I'm holding. I'm just going to see. Give it one more try.
There was a bunch of sellers there into 370 that didn't get anything out of it, so
Dang, I
that
should've
makes
held
me
my
think
long.
upside.
I'm long
Yeah.
at 332.75.
Sorry, guys, only back for a brief second here.
All right. We haven't started the slideshow. You've not missed anything yet, Wes.
Charts.
Well, now I see why we're on the stream.
Uh-huh.
Come
This is Phil
on.
You guys are my fill the void.
for the backup
Yeah.
singers.
Backup singers.
Did I kill this
That
here?
was good.
Push up.
Wow, Donna took that twice.
Took the
Holy
long
cow.
scalp twice, got 30. Nice.
That
Jeez.
is spectacular. I mean, it's all about, I mean, life's about confidence and patience, isn't it, DCD? I mean, keep trading everything.
Confidently patient.
Yeah, confidently patient. That is absolutely true.
All right, I took 40 points out of it, Dave. You
It's
happy?
actually good. Yes, I'm very happy.
All right.
It may rip now, but you got 40 points.
Nah, if it rips, Dave, we're gonna have a word. It's
Oh, look
better
at
keep
this.
coming down.
Look at this, yeah. Oh, look at this.
Okay, I'm feeling happy.
Whoa. Whoa, that was aggressive, Donna.
It's escalating.
Hot
quickly.
white guy
On a
stream.
hot white guy stream. What
Nice
is
stream.
going on here? What is going on in the chat?
Oh my god.
Oh, Dave, why'd you make me get out?
You'll thank me. You'll
Will I?
always thank me.
It's above my exit.
Oh, you guys are on your own again. Sorry.
Alright.
Yep.
Oh,
Good luck.
Dave.
Dude, this was a clean rotation back up to 380.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Don't maybe I
Dave.
buy it. I don't know if I buy it.
Alright. I guess I can blame Kev instead in the chat.
That's good.
Kev, this is your fault. Why'd you make me exit? Oh god, don't go to 400.
Yeah, it's gonna go blow through.
Yeah, it's gonna go to 400. Yeah, of course it is.
It may go to 406. After that, I'm not sure. There's an order block here at 380 that it just.
I love that I'm grumpy
doesn't
about
want to
taking
touch.
40 points.
I know. Unbelievable.
I like bigger trades. Especially when it does exactly what I think it's going to do.
Question: do they like you? Is the issue?
They've been
How would
pretty
you
kind
like
to me recently. They've been pretty nice. Apart from, I mean, I only got wrecked when that Fed speaker came out on Monday. That guy went to stir my food, and I was like, well, we've been chopping in like a 30-point range for like 4 hours. There's no way we'll get a big move down. Came back up, and I was like $600 down, and it was still rifling down.
I really want to buy this.
Oh, don't buy here. It's because we could easily just reject
back
off
for a
VWAP
minute.
here and come back in the range, palm. Like what's happening now.
That's why I'm hesitating, but I like this consolidation at the highs of a range like this when we have some balance. When you start consolidating to one side and holding it, that usually tells me continuation.
I agree,
And
but how much are you
I don't-
looking for out of the trade?
Like 10 points.
Oh, right then, yeah, fine.
But I didn't take it. And
I'm just saying for a bigger
tried.
move up that, like, I think 400 will probably reject.
Donna
I
feels
mean-
like she has to rep the entire. Donna,
Hey,
I
no,
gave
I'm with you.
I gave you the invite to come on stream. I gave you the invite. That invite is an open invitation as well.
How do you feel about it? How do you feel? How do you like me now, Nims? How do you like me now?
Not much, because I could have taken another 20 points out of it. Could have been 60 points.
Sorry, guys, I have to keep leaving.
Well, just leave. Come back when you can come back.
Yeah.
You don't trust us? I
not
feel there's a
destroying
lack of trust. He's like
mean-
babysitting the kids. He can't leave us with like his eyes off us
He's
for less,
afraid-
more than a minute.
He's afraid we're going to destroy his brand.
Yeah,
Let's
he's
just
really
all get serious
concerned.
for a
Well, I
second
won't
here.
name
Yeah.
names. I trust two people that are on the stream. There is one in particular that I'm not sure that I trust.
Palm, I'm sorry he doesn't trust you, man.
I know, man. It's honestly tragic.
Yeah, I mean, look, with when you get older, I'm sure his trust levels will increase. But
Oh my god. Maybe you should sit in a wooden chair. Apparently he likes
hey,
that.
Nims, I've
still
got the
wanna buy
screenshot
it.
button
Yeah.
ready. I changed the
I don't know
camera
how to do
angle
it.
for this purpose.
we got a pure athlete on stream over there.
Oh,
Sitting
thank
in
you,
a wood
Wesley.
chair for 3 hours.
Oh, right.
You want to talk? You want to talk about an athlete?
That's right.
You can't be uncomfortable in a trade if you're uncomfortable in your seat.
Oh, this is a little ugly here. I mean, if you look at the 15 minutes, just still the chop zone.
Yeah, I know. What does this account need? This account needs $600 to pass.
Are you trading Combine today, Nims?
Well, it's like I have the 5 passed, I have the 5 XFAs, but then I thought the other account was gone, so I got a 6th Combine thinking the other, because it only had $80 left in it, and I rescued it. So this is kind of a pointless Combine.
So, Palm, are you just waiting for basically a clean break back over 500 and a hold?
I'm waiting for anything that looks interesting. I really wanted the long here, but I couldn't bring myself to do it just because we're sitting on so much volume.
Yeah.
And now it's interesting because we're actually above like the main part of that distribution, above 80. So now I'm interested with good buyers. So now I just need an entry. But yeah, I've been like scoping along the whole time.
Yeah.
Look at Dave. Dave, what are we doing?
Sellers are kind of
Stay on hands.
evaporating here right below 400 on my book map.
A clean break and retest of 400 would be awesome. But we're kind of holding below it.
Yeah, Phoenix, don't think you're going to get any hellos from me. I know what that does to the market.
By the way, I've only taken 5 trades this morning. So
Mason,
Nice.
Today's Thursday, by the way. He says trading with the boys on a Friday.
Phoenix, if we'd said hello to you this morning before CPI would have chopped in a
Why did that
2-point
happen?
range. It wouldn't have moved.
what do you think of
What
this? This
the
little
hell?
spike here.
Palm, did you change your camera angle?
Someone called me and it changed it.
Oh, okay. I was like, what's
The
going
new
on?
camera looks good, Palm, by the way. It's looking very
Thank
crisp.
you.
What do
Thank
you think of
Yeah,
this
I
little
mean,
spike?
I got it specifically so I don't stream through a potato camera.
I mean, it's good when you're at your age, but you don't want that much definition when you get older.
Yeah,
You'd
no,
rather
no,
it be a bit more
if I
blurry.
could do a filter on mine, I would.
Yeah, those girls' Instagram filters, it's just completely blur out like all the imperfections. Yeah,
Yeah, Dave
yeah, I
with
need one of
Dunkling.
those. Yeah.
Pretty clean rejection there at 400 with a lot of aggressive selling.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is again.
I'm not a
That's what
I'm
I
not
said.
a
I said
trendline
400.
trader.
I said 400 would reject.
I'm not a trend line guy, but we are testing the bottom of this little trend line.
Yeah, we are.
The same.
DCD short 80, but DCD said he was. Yeah, I thought you were calling it
love it.
DCD.
Yeah.
A short 84. That's awesome. He's
You
gonna
short
get it.
VWAP DCD.
Yep, you definitely are a part of the level up community. We
he's
say
gonna
we're
get
done
it,
about
though.
500 times a day.
Yeah. Remember when
We're
on
done
Monday
trading.
I
We're
said
done trading. We're
see you
going to
next week.
$400. 5 seconds later, I'm short 84.
Well, he almost got 53. I mean, this was.
I told everyone to see you next week on Monday.
Degen to the bones. Yeah.
Yeah.
We've all been there.
Ain't that the truth? I'd be break even.
What's funny
Wait,
is we
you
aren't
gonna
even
trade?
really moving. And we're like, oh, we saw something we liked. And price is still in the same spot that we were
Hey.
a half an hour ago.
I had a 70-point move that I only took 40 points out of.
I mean, I like the
Here we
long
go.
down there. I
Here we
should have
go.
held on to it. It was a pretty good
Yeah,
trade.
yeah, yeah.
What about the 25-point move that you got negative 10 points out of? What about that?
No, I
one?
got plus 10 points
Yeah.
out of it.
Damn,
I trailed my
call him
stop
out.
up. I
Call
took
him
10
out.
points out of it. It was a 40-point move that I only took 10 out of.
Oh boy.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, I haven't let any 150-point trades run back to break even this week. So that's a win.
I'll be right back, guys.
That is a win.
That is
He's
a
going to be
win.
back in 30 seconds. He doesn't trust one of us.
He does not trust any of us. I mean, look at us, would you? Seriously.
I would trust you. I don't know about that dude in the orange shirt, but I trust you, Dave.
Hey.
But, you know
All
what?
right, is it
Same here,
orange?
Paul.
I mean,
No, I'm kidding.
Wesley called it salmon color and thought I was coming in
is.
shirtless.
It is kind of a salmon, like a coral.
Yeah. It was a
Yeah,
gift
we're
from an
just still coming
ex-girlfriend
back
from
to the,
Indonesia.
Oh. Pretty sweet.
Yeah, kind
I
of.
don't have any fun shirts. All my shirts are super, like, utility, if that's the word for it.
See, what happens is you get older and you have to buy fun shirts to compensate for the fact that you're not fun anymore.
All right, well, I'll make sure
That's
to
what
not buy fun
happens,
shirts,
man.
I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, if you don't have fun shirts, it probably means you're still a fun person. You go out and do
That's
fun
good.
stuff.
That's good.
My idea of a wild night is like a third coffee, maybe stay up till like 2 a.m. playing games.
That sounds like a fun time, man.
I mean, yeah, I do enjoy it. I do enjoy it. It's less
I went
anxiety.
through, like,
It's
my
less
whole-
anxiety ridden than getting absolutely hammered and staying up all night when the sun comes up.
Yeah. I went through my whole, like, frat bro, like, parties 5 days a week phase.
Yeah.
I'm past that. I'll still party, like I'll still party on the weekends, but there's my freshman year of college, I was, especially first semester, was going out like consistently 5 days a week. It's ridiculous.
Well, here comes the push. Should have held my trade. Should have held my trade.
Okay, so here like a break and retest of 400 is interesting to me.
Yeah, that's money. That's money. If we can come up to like, I mean,
Or even
ideally like
yeah,
430,
400
430, retest of 410, something around there. That would be pretty nice. But yeah, I've got a level 400 to 420, which has been pretty good money this morning. Green is green. Yeah, but there's more green. Right, Dave? Dave, what does your wife think of your new username, Old Man Trading? Wait, Dave, you're muted.
She not only approves of it, she encouraged it.
Okay, nice.
Nice. Got the stamp of approval.
That's right. You always have to have that.
Well, we're holding above 400. No, like,
Yeah,
real
I
crazy
don't want to buy for
continuation.
range yet, but I mean, I guess the full news retracement up to like 460 is in play. I mean, if you want 10
there's
points
the
out of it,
retest.
you'll get 10 points, 400 to 410.
Yeah, I mean, I didn't have a limit there, and it kind of just wicked it and immediately
Right.
bounced. So
So you like this as a point to go in long, or is this just
I
an
want
iffy line?
I always look for like something that's like a 70 to 100 point move. That like worst case scenario, I take like 20 points or something out of it.
This break, did you want this break higher to be higher before you would do a break and retest?
Yeah, so I want 30 to come down to. I've got a box 420 to 400. So ideally, I want it to come up.
Of the low of day buy here. Like what just happened?
Yes, so did I. Dave talked me out of it. He told me to take my money.
I'm long, but it's already egregiously close to stop. I'm long 406 quarter. This probably gets stopped out.
406 quarter.
Yeah. My stop's at 96 quarter. I imagine that gets
it's probably
traded.
coming back to VWAP is what I'm seeing.
All right.
Oh well.
So Wesley, I saved the slideshow for when you're back because I think I'd really like your input on it.
No comment.
Actually, close to the weekend, Wes.
So this
Okay, stopped out.
Yeah, it's not closing that.
Still
15
curious in the
minute.
long. As long as we're holding this like 96 quarter area, I am still curious in the long.
All right, what do we think on the Lions versus the Cowboys money line.
Send it.
Yeah? What, 1,000? So what's that, like
I'm not telling you how
$1,300?
much. I'm not telling you how much. I'm just saying send it.
That Cowboys are. Ugh.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty good odds. I can get 1.67 now. So what would it return? £1,000 returns £670. So like $900 if they win.
Damn, I like that
It
initial low
closes-
that we made at
Yeah.
98, and that's why I got long. I was like, okay, we tried to retrade below 400. We tried to test my line in the sand. Didn't get there,
Yeah.
bounced out of it. So I got long, and then we went down and then traded it. And now we're back above. That's tough.
I mean, that open at 400 is making me think about the long. I'll try.
Yeah, I'm long at 406.
Nice.
I'm in
Yeah, I
late.
should have just
Yeah,
been
yeah.
more patient to get long like 400 exactly, and that would have held.
I like where we are on the hour. So, on the hour
I'm
hand.
looking for 470.
Problem is, I didn't reset my lot size, so I'm only in 3 micros. But we'll see.
Tanner and Phil, did y'all get paid or did you get stopped out?
I did the same trade, Palm. Oh, I think with Tenner's stops, he's probably been stopped out because he keeps it tight.
I use 10 points when I'm scalping as like a
Okay.
base stop, and then I'll adjust it if I need to. But that one was a full stop.
I
break
did
even,
20
better
to
work.
25 points just to let it breathe.
That took me out break even. I probably should let it breathe, but
Yeah, I'll let
I
mine
can
breathe.
reset my lot size.
We haven't traded
Wow,
420 yet.
Yeah.
I think we get this full news retracement. I think we see 530 today.
Oh, 530 down.
Yeah. Yeah, if we get, I can't remember what the top wick was on the daily. I think it's like 539. It was like that wick up on the daily if you look out. But yeah, if we can break that, then I'll be looking at like 600, 620.
Mm-hmm.
All right, what's your chances of winning the tournament, Dave? What would you put
Well,
your
it's
odds
a-
at? If you were a sports book, what odds would you give yourself?
Oh, geez, there's some. So there's 3-man teams. There's 40 teams. So that's the size of the field. We're in the lower third, but we get handicaps. And I'm
Okay.
playing with one of the guys I'm playing with is a 5 handicap, so that's pretty good news.
All right, and the other guy?
He's 11.9 and I'm at 12.6. So we'll have to see here.
Do you trust your team, Dave?
I trust
You
I trust
one
my
of
other
them?
2 teammates. I don't know if they should trust me.
Okay.
That's-
You've been playing well though, Dave. You've been playing well.
Yeah, I have.
Dave, what's
been.
your-
all right, go ahead.
Go
Bob.
ahead. I was just gonna ask, what's your favorite shot? I don't play golf. I want to though. I've been watching a bunch of golf on YouTube.
Favorite shot. That's a
Yeah, like
great
do you like
question.
driving? Do you like chips? Are you
What
I'm sure I show on the
love-
putting.
Putting is my downfall right now. It is horrible.
damn.
Yeah, it's my downfall. However, I love wedges and up to mid irons. Anything 150 in, I love that shot.
Nice.
What were you driving, Dave? What's your distance? Your
I'm
max drive?
driving right now. So I'm not a big hitter, so I'm driving about 2. I think I'm averaging right now between. Well, I guess I'm hitting between 220 and 240.
That's
Every once in
decent.
a while Yeah, it's not bad. Every once in a while, I'll pop off a 260.
Nice.
And that's if I, get my nice baby draw in and it rolls. But yeah, so
Nice. Yeah,
it's
I'm just
and
curious.
this format's interesting because it's a shamble. So a shamble is not it's not a total scramble. It's a shamble where you take the best drive and then
Yeah.
you play your own ball in from there.
Okay.
So it's it's not.
So wait, all three of you drive?
Yep.
Okay.
The best one we pick.
All right.
It's a nice
Yeah,
end
I've
of the
been,
year type tournament.
Oh, okay. Okay. I
I've
like
been
those
watching
rules.
a bunch of Grant Horvat. Fun dude.
Yeah. I tell you, the thing that helped me, I mean, I've been golfing since I've been in high school. Never took a lesson until like 5 years ago. Glad I did. Took a couple of lessons. Helped me, not so much help you straighten things out, but it helps you feel what you
I'm
need to
long, by the
feel and
way.
fix. Yeah, I'm trying to
The
get long.
stop at 92. My entry kind of sucks, but
I
okay,
think the
stop
test
that.
VWAP. I think test VWAP. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was worth a shot. I like that we poked below the low of whatever this
Yeah.
was, 94,
Was worth a shot.
and then came back in immediately. Oh well.
I mean, I'm still long. I'm letting it breathe.
I just don't like how many sellers we had off of that. It's 10 minutes to
Yeah.
initial balance. I'll probably just wait until then.
But I watched about 3 Hank Haney videos that have. Oh, going on YouTube and watch a bunch of videos is death to your golf game. But I watched 3
Really?
Hank Haney ones. Oh, it 100% is. It's because you can get so confused. You don't want a lot of swing thoughts. You only want to have maybe 1 or 2 max,
Okay.
probably 1. And it improved my driving. It improved all my hitting actually. So
Nice.
Nice DCD. Well done on the trade back.
nice.
And the screenshots you posted yesterday really cracked me up, man. Your emojis. I won't say it on stream, but yeah.
Yeah, we're not going to talk about that on stream.
I'm not mentioning it. I'm not mentioning. I just put like a vague
We're not going to
reference.
talk about that on stream.
If people are in the Discord, they can go look for themselves. Did you just get back?
Uh, 100 block on the sell side here at 395, just to give you guys a heads up.
Look at this come down. Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah,
to
we're
kill
just back into
this.
the range.
Yeah,
It's pretty
See
lame.
if it holds up.
very, very lame.
We're holding up okay, even in the face of all that aggressive selling.
That's what I'm thinking. I'm long 400.
I might take the long here, 380.
Yeah, I would rather my entry be 380. But I think we get. I still think we definitely see 500, 520 today.
I really like 542. That's like a prior swing high.
Yeah, that wick.
Frame.
Yeah. Yeah, the wick on the daily.
We have to be able to hold above 400 to be able to get there.
But with CPI coming in hot and not pushing us that far down, like, I just think that it's inevitable that we're going up. Yeah.
Oh, yeah? Off of 80-ish?
Yep. 82 is my exact. I'll target just below IBH. If we get the massive smack, I'll be out. Going right below this high volume here at 68 will be my stop. Probably get stopped here.
I still see selling that's not going anywhere, which is interesting.
I know.
Yeah, it's trying to hold up.
It's kind of like it's getting absorbed.
We shouldn't say that.
I know they're starting to pile in.
Yeah.
I was very close to joining you on the long. Very, very close.
I still like it. Like, it's just when we get the move is the question.
All right, I'm back in profit here.
I'm long.
Welcome, Dave. Welcome.
VWAP is saying short, is it? Is it really?
You
I have
don't
no
even have
idea.
that indicator.
Obviously, sure.
Yeah.
I have no clue where VWAP is.
Albu, why don't we get a camera on your video? I tuned in expecting to see a camera. Got nothing.
Yeah, I mean, structure-wise, this looks really good. We put it in a higher low. We poked at higher high where IBH
Of
is right
course, I
now.
get the
Whoa.
smack there. It hit that 100
Yeah.
block order and just rejected. I should have just
Yeah,
walked in my
it
profit.
took me
I
out
saw it
break
sitting
even.
there.
It took me up right.
I'm long right now. I'm long off 77.5. We shall see.
Come on, market. Let's just go up. Like a straight line with no pullbacks.
That's the dream.
Yeah. It rarely happens.
That's the dream.
Yeah.
Boy, I see reasons to go down.
Whoa.
All right, my
That's
stop's
what-
break even at least.
I don't know if I like.
I don't really know what I should target. I mean, IBH is a fun target, but I'm just gonna get break even, so it doesn't matter. I also like my line in the sand, like 96-ish as a target.
I mean, you don't want to know what my target is.
It's 65,000.
No. I'm targeting 520.
66,520.
That's correct. Yeah.
All right, fill me out? Question mark. I'm gonna have to
No,
manually
there's
kill it if
100
we don't.
block still at 395.
All right, can they go? You ask them to leave, Wes.
You faded
I'd like
us,
to see this pop
Albu,
right now.
and you got 20 points.
Whoa! What is this?
All right, I'm not being greedy. I just took that off. That was 14 points anyways.
Nice.
Nice.
job.
Good job, man.
Puts me back
Nice.
negative 50 on the day.
Well,
You're basically back.
And now I just wait for the trade that's been absolutely rinsing me the last 10
yeah,
days.
you're really close to it. You're really close
Well,
to it.
yeah.
All right,
You
come
gonna
on.
put your limit order in, Palm, or are you gonna feel it out first?
I'm long.
No, I'm gonna put it on, but I have to wait until
Long at
10:30.
93.
Damn, this is better
long at
rip to
93.
IBH before
Yeah,
IBH.
that's what I'm playing on.
That's
What I'm
pain.
playing.
Oh god,
That is
Kevin
pain.
it's
says
gonna do
VIX
you
is red
dirty.
and Nvidia's green, which means
Yeah.
longs only.
Yep. Kev, where are you long from? Let us know. And if it's micros or
Nice.
minis.
Nice. Tanner, do we have the same chart setup, or am I thinking of someone else? Because there's someone I saw in GG that had a like just range charts, kind of similar to what I'm doing. I don't think it was you though.
It's
I
gonna
want to
take
say
me out break
Martin
even, isn't it?
uses. I want to say Martin uses range charts.
Okay.
I know Savvy.
Long
uses range charts.
370 to micros.
Savvy uses like
I
a lot
like
of
it, Kev.
volume charts too, though.
Kevin is long 370, 2 micros. Oh, that's a good buy.
It's nice.
Great buy.
Don't use
That's a
range. Okay,
awesome buy.
interesting. So I was thinking of someone else. Just funny that we have a lot of the same trades, I guess.
Martin uses tick charts. Savvy uses volume.
I use golden levels.
Nice.
Levels.
This guy.
Run
I don't
this.
have a golden level up here. The problem is the closest golden level is 9840. 19k 840.
This
I
may
don't think
take
we're
me
gonna
out break
visit.
even, but I'm long at 93. Let's see.
I like it though. I think you're good. What size?
Just 3 micros. I forgot to change it up to
Oh,
5
you're fine.
from the last
We'll give
time.
it a bit of breathing room, man.
Yeah.
Because you're early for the play that you wanted, which is the IVH break, which could happen
100%.
in like a minute.
I
All right,
thought
oh, not that wrong bracket. Hold on, stand by.
we'll see if it runs it.
Are you queuing up your trade?
Yeah, I have my order on. See what happens.
Pump, pump,
At least I'm
pump,
flat on the day.
pump.
Essentially, I'm down $50, like
Yeah,
60 with commission. So
Run
You're
this
good.
puppy.
it's. I can't wait to have to scout my way out of the hole like I did yesterday. It'll be exciting.
Yeah, it's never fun.
Oh, she's gonna come down and take me up break even. I'm not gonna mess with it.
I think we're good.
I think we're good.
After those L's I took though, like with the IB trade and the overnight trade, like the scalping after that, once stream was down and I just threw on some music and locked in, it was just one of those moments where like you're just seeing it, like you're in tune with everything.
Nice.
I think I started off with a loss on the scalp or a break even, and then it was like 4 for 4 winners.
That will do.
It felt good. If anything, it was
There
like a
we
good
go.
confidence
Pop
booster.
it. Here it
Don't
comes, here it
forget that the
comes.
IBH break play today. Wesley gave you money back guarantee that it would be the best trade of the day.
It's awesome. Can't wait to cash that.
Oh, how did you
Yeah.
not run that? How did you not run IBH?
Were you in a position trying to front run that, Dave?
Well, I'm in it right now at 93.
You're in it.
And
All
I
right,
break
That's
even.
why I had trouble with those. I would try to do that in replays, and it was just so difficult to actually get the break.
Yeah. It took me up break even. I still like it.
Yeah. We
I'm gonna
pushed
ask
the
a
high,
question.
that prior
Yeah,
high at
go
like
on,
410, and then took out that prior low at 395. So as long as we're inside of 412 to 393, it just looks like we're gonna go sideways. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, question, Wesley.
Yeah.
Interesting.
If you were to get pests, do you get money back?
No.
What?
The pest
Why not?
control is not going to
What?
pay you.
But they ripped you off and you got pests, and they're meant to
Business
control
model
them.
is
That's
that?
not how it works.
What do you mean how
See,
that's not
you
how it
know,
works?
This is what I told Wes earlier. Until the UK puts a man on the moon, you cannot complain about us having pest control.
But did you put a man on the moon?
Mims, when your
Yeah.
tenants at your properties
Yes, they're
have
pests.
their
Yeah.
furnace break down, do you pay them because their furnace broke down?
Yeah, I have to. If the boiler breaks down and I don't have the heating on in the middle of winter, then yeah, I have
No,
to go
but
and
do
pay
you
for
hand
accommodation.
Agreed,
them
man. It's a
money?
fair point.
Do you hand
right
them
there.
money personally?
No, but they'd get like a rent relief for the time. So yeah, I would be technically handing them money. Is that stopped your argument here?
No.
No? I
Just
mean, I
saying
just,
it's
they're not going. If
In its tracks.
pests are pests.
I mean, I just
They're not
feel.
they're not going to pay me because a bug showed up in my house.
Look, right? I just feel that if you're paying for this subscription and then one day you walk into your spare room and there's like a family of deer just living in there, that you should go and get your money
Deer
back.
aren't considered pests.
Dude,
You said
unironically,
you put them in the pest thing. I asked what pests, and you said deer.
Deer are not. No, I said that's what is around my house. I have lots of things around my house.
Yeah.
My house backs up to a forest. I did not include them in the pest argument.
All right. What else did you get? You have mountain lions.
Oh
I've
my
got
gosh.
fox. We've got bears. We've got snakes.
We've
We've
got
got.
What kind of bears? What kind of bears? Big ones.
brown
I
bears,
think of
right?
brown bears around here.
or sorry, black bears. I mean, black bears are the small ones.
Wait. So
Yeah.
what? What's
Relatively
the
smaller,
what's the code if you see a bear?
There isn't.
black
you
fight
just stay
back, brown.
inside.
No, there's a saying for it. Black fight back because they're more easily scared. Brown bears, screwed.
Because
Okay, so there's no,
DCD says,
there's,
"Hey Nim, so if you subscribe to an OnlyFans account and don't like the
Oh my
content,
gosh.
do you expect a refund?"
Oh my gosh.
I mean, I feel DCD
I'm not
is
sure where
talking.
this is going.
DCD is talking from personal experience and that he didn't get a refund.
Brown lay
This is
down,
what I
got it.
feel.
Oh, we
Brown
got
lay
some
down,
volatility
okay.
going
Yeah,
on.
Brown, you just try to protect your internal organs and hope you make it through.
Yeah.
Brown lay down.
We have,
Okay.
but Nims, we've got poisonous spiders. We got venomous spiders.
How
we've got
poisonous? How poisonous? What are we
poisonous
talking? What's the
snakes?
damage?
Brown
What's the
recluse.
damage? What's the damage if you get bitten?
If left untreated, you die.
Well, I
Ain't
told you
that
the story
bad.
where I got blood poisoning from a brown recluse.
Yeah,
Mhm.
see?
Yeah, that's a bit
Well,
different. That's like a snake. I mean, I'm talking spiders.
What?
But scorpions.
That's a
You got
spider.
scorpions?
Yeah, brown
A
recluse
brown
is a spider.
recluse is a spider.
Oh, is it? Okay, I
Yeah.
thought it was a
Yeah.
snake. All right, my bad, my bad. I mean, we don't have
The
this
Nims-
stuff. Nothing's trying to
Nims wouldn't
kill us
last
here in
a
the
day
UK.
in Australia. Nims would be cooked in Australia.
Mate, I've got Australian
This is
friends.
coming
Yeah,
from
it's
the
not,
guy who also thinks that brackets are the same thing as parentheses.
That is correct. UK
That is
people
not-
stand up, please. UK
Brackets are not
people.
the same thing as parentheses.
That they are. I mean,
They are not. They are different.
yeah, they're the same. They're the same.
They even
Just put your-
have. They even
Right,
have an entirely separate key on your keyboard. An entirely separate key on your keyboard.
Yeah, it's because you get to just draw them differently. It just depends which one you like. Look off nice.
Oh my goodness.
What?
I can't believe we're back to sitting on volume at
This is
80.
know.
ridiculous.
I know this might be the sideways day.
Yeah.
I've had some pretty good movement over the last few days.
You know what?
I went short at 76, so let's see what we get here.
Ben
Wow.
says they are different buttons on the keyboard. What? Yeah. Mine are different
I don't think
buttons.
I should take some off right here.
I mean, we have a signal that we completely missed. As soon as Palmetto puts his limit order for his IBH break, then we
Yeah,
know
take
the
the
price. We know the price is going to run away 40 points from it.
Yeah, honestly.
Yeah, that was,
That's
That was
legit.
weird.
That's
I came
been
up to a
like
brown
the-
bear in the wilderness once. He slowly
was
looked at the
dirty.
truck, turned, and slowly walked away. He was worried, but okay. I mean, brown bears just sound pretty
breaking
chill.
it up.
Brown
Are
bears
you
sound
al-
pretty
are you-
chill.
Yeah.
Out of your mind.
Are you allowed to have a brown bear as a pet?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh
You
yeah.
can?
Believe it or not, yeah,
Nice.
I had relatives that had a truck stop cafe out in western Kansas, and they had 2 brown bears.
Nice.
What?
It's called the Bear
Jesus.
House Cafe.
That's so
Literally, it was
scary.
called the Bear House Cafe. I'm not even kidding.
Nice.
That's so
Wes, why
sketchy.
didn't you invite one in as a pet?
No, I'm good.
Well, they don't
Thanks.
have it anymore, but
I'm
this is
great.
nice.
I'm good on all that.
It would be a pretty cool pet.
Real quick to shut
Until
that
it
down.
one day decides it's hungry and wants to eat you.
You ever seen that video of I think it's called Giraffe Manor somewhere in Africa, where it's like a hotel, but there's giraffes on the property. So during breakfast and like just during the day, just like
In
stick
Kenya.
their heads into the
Yeah.
window. Oh, it's
Yeah.
in Kenya.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. I've had friends who
guys, I'm
visit
long
there. It's a
again.
pop. Welcome.
What a weird place, man, right here.
Right. Be more positive about Wesley's lawn. All right, Dave.
I'm trying, man.
I'd probably get stopped out. I'm not.
Where you long from? I'm not looking
just
at my
above
phone, so I can't
380,
actually see.
384.
Oh, okay.
It's just really slow.
It is.
Yeah. You probably won't get any good movement until the stream ends.
Probably.
Yeah,
You're
honestly.
right.
What happens if I crank this all the way up? Oh, that's not bad.
Black bear.
Yeah,
under
the
dirt
light from
their
behind
logging.
is
Dog
rough.
fought it until I convinced it to give up. Lucky 'cause she almost lost an eye. You seen those videos in Australia of like the kangaroos like trying to strangle the dogs, and the guy just goes up and punches it.
Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Absolute
though.
classic. Yeah, I couldn't deal with like the snakes and like the giant spiders, like the snakes in the toilet and stuff. Like, no, that's just too much.
Yeah, that is
Right.
scary.
Long 82.
And they've got that plant, haven't they, as well? That like people have been stung by the plant and like the stings like remain for like years that they still feel them.
Yeah.
I couldn't tell you, but
Go break even
potentially.
right away.
Stop here. See if we
Yeah,
can get
break
this thing
even.
to run a little bit. Probably get stopped out once again, but that's okay.
Yeah. And break even too.
Yeah, it's rough, man. We're just straight sideways.
I know.
Yeah, it's gonna stop us out. I think.
I guess breather day was due.
Yeah, stopped out.
What's up?
I'm not stopped out yet.
All right, I'm done with this area. I'm gonna wait for it to get out of here before I take another trade.
Yep, stopped out. Break even.
It's just chop.
VWAP chop, to be specific.
Up in broccoli.
You have to give it a
VWAP
wide
chop.
stop, and I'm just not willing to do that today. I am up $100 currently right now.
Wow. Phil.
Nice,
I'm up $100.
nice.
Nice.
So I was watching the live cams of Florida from the storm. I went on YouTube, and it's
Yeah,
just
there's some
like,
wilds, aren't they? It's wild.
Well, I didn't. I haven't seen any of like the damage, but I just saw all the family taking their kids to the water edge in the middle of the
I know,
storm to
what
take
is
pictures of them.
that? Florida's got. They're a different breed, man.
That is just nuts. And all the kids like smile, like waving in front of the storm. Let's go, Scott. Well done, mate. Good trades. Scott, can you tell me where your order blocks are? Well, I mean, Phil, whether you're allowed on the beach or not, I mean, I'm pretty sure that would just be like a standard. I don't think you would probably even have to announce it. Category 5 storm coming in. Yeah, let's not go on the beach.
Nice, Scott.
Why are you gatekeeping your order blocks from us, Scott? Is this like a paid subscription that we need to apply for to go and get the order blocks from you these days? Lunch is on Wesley today. Yeah, Albu, I agree. Was this our 4th, 5th trading with the boys? He's never bought us lunch, not once.
This chop is ridiculous. Ridiculous chop.
Wesley's left. I feel
Stay
we
with it.
I feel we need to start a union, guys, until we get
I
lunch
think you're
from
right.
Wesley.
I think you're right.
All right. And if I don't like the order blocks where they are, if they're ruining my trade, do I get a refund on your OnlyFans, Scott?
I think we run IB now. We can do it.
I mean, I've been in this trade for ages. I'm still long 400.
We can run IB.
I
We
do,
can
Phil.
do
I
it.
have a resting buy stop order at 414.75.
I am gonna try this long 91, but I don't know if it's gonna make it. But I think we run IB.
Yeah, DCD, please, can we sweep 416 at least? I'm 2 micros are looking to take one off at like 422.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
I mean, all we needed was Wesley to leave. Him to
Pretty
get stopped
much.
out on his long and then disappear. We get the move.
What the
We
heck?
do get the move.
This is what I come back
I
to?
love the move. Come
Yes,
on.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
Oh, come on.
Yeah,
get up
and
there. We can
also,
run IB. Run IB.
Also, we were brought to attention by Albu an interesting point. We've been
What's
doing
that?
this trading with the boys stream for, is it like 4
Oh,
or 5
there we go.
times now? Never once
go.
have we been bought lunch by our employer.
Here we go.
Our
Here we go.
employer.
Our employer. I love it.
I mean, what do you
All
want me
right,
to do?
let's
You want me
see
to Venmo you
Come
money?
on, IB.
Yeah.
Come on,
Maybe just an
IB.
Uber Eats. Like while I'm
I
eating.
am
Me, it's
long.
lunchtime.
We swept
already
IB.
long.
This is looking like a
I've
sus
been long
break.
for ages.
It's
Are you
looking
guys
like
all
a
take
taking
one
an
terrible
off
IB
it.
break?
That's the stop.
I already did. I'm in
Dude.
92.
October's painful. All right, so
Sorry,
here's
long,
the thing.
Long in 91.
After yesterday, I am willing to take second breaks. Like if we peel off of IB here, rotate to 400, and then come back,
Mm-hmm.
I am willing to take that. And that's something new I haven't been doing. But in October, it's been
It
pay.
just popped it. It just popped IB there.
Nice, DCD.
Yeah,
You're at a
just
90%
barely.
win rate today.
Just barely.
Are you slinging over there, DCD? I mean, what's going
Yeah.
on? You sounding like Dave all of a sudden with your entries. Dave's licking his
I
chops
like-
over there.
I thought
Well, I'm
DCD
in-
was. Oh, DCD
in
was a
90.
slinger. I always assumed he was a slinger.
Oh, don't do that. Go off.
All right, I've taken one of my micros off for a 3-point profit, and now it says I'm long at 391.
Hanging on to the
Honestly, we're just gonna fall right back into this chop zone.
Whoa, let's be positive, okay?
Yeah.
I just see the sellers. If you look at my DOM surface up there in the upper right, look at all that red.
I don't want to press buttons and ruin stuff. I can only look on my phone.
So look on
Well,
your phone.
I've got-
that looks like a lot of red,
That's a lot
but
of red.
yeah,
I went
but
in
they're being
5
absorbed.
micros and I'm down to 1.
L indeed, Phil. L indeed.
Nice DCD.
All right, gotta step away again.
I got.
Sorry,
I have just
Dave.
one
I don't know if you're
micro
like me.
left.
How many units do you have in your house? I've got 2, so they have to go downstairs into the basement and then
yeah.
upstairs into the attic.
I've got.
Wait,
I've
is
only
this 2
got the
heating units?
Yeah.
And you don't fancy walking around with a headset like I did with my plumber yesterday? Keep the stream going, just chatting to us while chatting to the plumber.
Well, they're about to start
like this to
stomping around up in the attic too.
Alright.
I'd like this to go. Let's go.
I mean, is it going anywhere, Dave?
Not really. But if we clear that IBH, we're off to the races. I mean, that's kind of Captain Obvious, but.
I can only hope. I can only hope.
Ollie,
Well, I mean,
Ollie,
I
dream
front,
big.
so I front ran that IB run there. I got in at 91.
Nice. And you took it off IB?
I took 5 so I went in 5 micros. I've taken 4 off at the top there. I'm leaving 1 runner. So,
Nice.
The
Oh, you're
issue,
still in.
yeah, I'm still in it.
Let's go.
It's just
I'll
a
tell you-
micro.
I'll tell you
You're
the
an
issue.
animal with the front runs. I don't know how you do it. I would
It's
get
just-
chopped up to bits if I tried that.
Palm, I'll tell you another
What's up?
issue with your IBH play.
What's up?
Oh, God.
It's been like a level which has been bouncing and rejecting all pre-market. If you just look at the pre-market of that level.
Yeah, I see that. I mean, I'm taking it just because I have data that tells me over the long term it is profitable.
Yeah.
Watch this.
But
See, here we go.
October's been a rough month for sure.
Right.
Which like, am I long? All right, I'm long again.
Telling
We're
you,
gonna
Dave, I
actually
should
break
have.
it here.
Where's
should've
your long from?
added in.
Dave, you same as me, 391.
How did I get
91.
slipped on that?
Yeah,
How
91.
did I get slipped 2 points on that? What?
Yeah, I'm
This, thing's,
391.
this is headed up to midnight
500.
open anyway. Might add, if we get a break and retest of IBH, I might
Jesus.
add.
All right, double stops. That's so rough.
Oh, that's
Oh,
bad.
time to
Sorry,
scalp
man.
out of the hole again. Holy balls.
That's bad right there.
Yeah, I mean, again, October's just been terrible for it. Like, there's just been zero follow through on any of these breaks, other than the second break yesterday. And that's kind of why I took this one, attempting the second break. That actually was a good long off of
Tell you what, it's been,
whatever this
it's
was.
been
Oh,
great
good
for
long, Palm.
when it breaks for the long of the retest of it. It's
Yeah,
been, like,
yeah, break and
absolute-
retest. I like.
Absolute money.
So this is
I'm
why
a
I
big
like
fan
doing the
of break and
micros.
retest.
This is why I like doing the micros right now, because if there's no follow through, I'm taking some off at the break anyway,
Yeah,
and then you go and break even with whatever you've got as
Yeah.
runners.
Lambra, yeah, this is a quad stream. Well, trio stream. Wesley really hasn't been a participant today.
But this is ugly here.
He just comes in to babysit me every like 5 minutes.
It just took me out break even on the last one, on the last runner.
What?
I'm still in. Huh? Lambert was asking if it's a quad stream, and I said it's really just a trio stream because you haven't really been here. I said you just come in every
Lambert
5
was
minutes to
asking,
babysit
Lambert,
me.
I've got the heating company doing service right now, so I have to step away from time to time.
Right, well, I'm still long.
Oh, you're enjoying the Chop Fest here?
Here we
I
go,
mean,
King
I
X
wouldn't
trio.
call it enjoyable, but I mean, I'm green.
Wow, Rafael Nadal retires from tennis?
Yeah.
Yeah, I
He's
saw
been
that.
struggling. He's been struggling for a while.
Yeah.
You want to hear a fun story? I played with Rafael Nadal as a kid. We're the same age.
Yeah.
And did he wreck
No
you?
cap. Yes. We were at the same. I was a good tennis player as a junior, so I also played against Andy Murray a couple of times and got wrecked in some tournaments.
It is a cool story, though.
Yeah.
I don't know if it was a fun story though. That was his prelude.
Yeah, I know. I agree with that.
I mean, all right.
agree with
It
that.
wasn't a fun story. Okay, all right. It was a boring story.
It was
I'll give
kind
you
of like when
boring.
Ollie was showing his child actor or child model pictures in the Level Up Discord, and Nims just had to come in and show
Oh
his
my
as well.
Yeah. I wasn't a
Had to
child
one
model.
up him.
God,
Yeah, that's right.
I can't take it.
Had to be done.
All right, I'm going to try the long again. Don't love it.
No, Ollie, not calling you out, calling Nims out.
Yeah, I always get called out. You don't call Ollie out, right? For his Jeep modelling campaign.
Yeah.
I mean, Ollie got
Sanders,
paid.
I
I
agree.
didn't get paid.
Yeah, Nims, you got any slideshow of you getting wrecked by Rafael Nadal as a child on the courts that we can watch here?
Why is this?
Where's
Scott?
the home video footage? Come on.
Where's the home video? I think my dad's got some of me playing Andy Murray from like an old cam.
Phoenix says he's got some good Nimkins modeling pics from today.
Oh god.
No.
Is this because you got wrecked at poker last night by me, Phoenix?
How about Boris Becker? Who says Boris Becker's a little older
I'm
than
not
me.
that old, alright?
Horse.
I know, I haven't been to jail with Boris Becker in the UK. We weren't cellmates.
Oh, this is ugly, guys.
Yes,
Looks
I
like
know, I'm in a position.
Downtown Julie Brown here.
All we've
Palmetto,
done
you
is
got
just...
a good entertainment over there. I see you cracking smiles from time to time, and you're looking off to the side.
Yeah.
Got something
Yeah.
funny going on.
I have a journal that I post in, and I just posted the result of my attempted double ID breaks.
Oh, yeah.
You laughing through the pain.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. I'm with you. We will have to do that. Or you just do a me on Monday and you throw a temper tantrum and say you're not trading for a week and then start trading at 8 a.m.
Yeah,
London open
within
the
the
next
next
day.
12 hours, Nims has got the charts open and fully loaded on the accounts again.
Yeah. Hey, I didn't
It's the
lose
what
any
if.
accounts. Didn't lose any accounts.
What if I make it back?
No,
I mean, let's
I
face
did
it.
make.
Okay, we all have those tilty days. Even I'm guilty of it. I try to really limit it, but I probably have 1 or 2 of those, every 6 months. And when it happens, it sucks. But trading's hard. Nobody ever said it was going to be
it's
easy.
hard.
We get back on the horse, we dust ourselves
Wait.
off, and we realize what we did wrong and try to correct it.
No, because I watched a
lifelong
video on
journey. It's not
Instagram of a guy selling a course, and he said trading was really easy. You make 1,000 a day
Nice.
if you just buy
Get
his
Lambo.
course.
You get a Lambo. Yep.
Like
Yeah,
those
Lambo now.
100% win rate strategy videos.
Yeah.
Get out of
Algo
here.
bots. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good buddy.
Yeah, it's just not the reality of it. We all tilt. All of us do. All right, I'll be right
Well,
back.
I'm short at 88. I went 5 micros, took 3 off already.
Whoa,
break
whoa,
even.
whoa, whoa! We're shorting near my entry.
And I think this likes down.
I think it likes chop, Dave.
Yeah, it likes chop
Yeah.
more than it likes down.
We are
But I
fully just
I'm already
cringing.
profitable on it, so I took my points and I'm just break even on a couple of runners.
I could maybe be interested in a short off of like 392.
Whoa, 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 guys, calm down. Let's talk about longs.
Are you long?
Yeah, I'm still long. I mean, I took one off. I had 2 micros.
Okay.
I took one off for 20 points, and I'm like 7 points down, 6 points down on my other one.
I see.
So, I mean, I'm happy to let this run because I have this theory of where we're going today, and I just kind of want to sit and let it breathe, unless it like looks really bad.
I
It's
see.
about to look really bad.
It's not about to look really bad, Dave. It's about to hit you. You're about to say break even. Is what's going to happen.
It might just hit me break even. Let's see. Oh, what did I just do? The wrong button, didn't I? There we go.
This is stay at the Roach Motel has cost me $154. Yeah, tenner. I mean, I'm only up because I'm just sitting through Roach Motel until I see profit. Which I don't know if is the best strategy, but it's playing.
And I got it took me break even there. So
There we go. There we
well,
go.
I hit the wrong button when I wanted to.
Oh,
take
you hit
one
flatten
off
by
and
mistake.
I added one, yeah. But I still gained on that trade, so I'm good. with that.
Nice, good job.
Not what I'd like, yeah, because this sucker's headed downtown.
Where's downtown?
I'm not sure yet. Probably.
We have to be
Revisit.
specific. Are we going downtown or to 2
Well,
steps down the pavement?
IBL.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Honestly, on the 15-minute, I like 239.
Palm, what is the strategies? So IBH got set second, which is the most likely to break. Is that correct?
That's 70% chance to break. Yeah.
Right.
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 I mean,
Right.
and we've technically broken it, even though it's pathetic break.
Right. Yeah, but we did break it.
Yeah, it's like Kev's TikTok clock where he says up last hour, and like last hour's up like half a point.
Yeah, I mean that's what the stats are. There's like continuation stats on if we open the last hour of trading. I think it's like red on the day or something. Like if we're already red on the last hour, there's a whatever chance that it closes red. But that close red could be like by 1 point, and it still counts as closing red.
Dave, this is looking like uptown to me.
Let's see. This I don't know. I'm not fully a little push there, but I'm still not fully convinced.
Until we're above IBH,
Yeah.
I have trouble seeing anything, honestly.
Talk open, down, last hour. Up.
I mean, I'm 1 micro, so it's like pretty.
See you later, DCD.
In a bit, DCD. TikTok open, down, last hour up. What happens in between, Kev? What's in the middle?
Profit.
Wreckage.
Nothing. We just go sideways.
Look at this. I'm just not a.
Did you make a Facebook post to the Stop Trader Almanac about their missing data for yesterday?
Maybe there's another missing data for today.
Another missing page.
Another missing page in the Trader's Almanac.
There's a positive order block on a 4-hour at 360, which is where you're long from, Kev. How is the heating going? Wes?
They're stomping around up in the attic right now.
Are they breaking anything?
No.
Okay, that's a plus. Have you? Oh, no, this is your subscription. I was going to ask you if you used them
Changing
before.
out filters and cleaning things out. You know, like
Right.
it's not like they're putting in a new unit.
I thought you were having like a boiler change.
A boiler.
Wait, what do you call it? A furnace?
Boiler. The hell?
What do you call it?
A boiler, he said.
Hey, what do you call it? That's what we
Are
have
we
in our
living in the
places.
Victorian age? What
No.
is that?
What?
Boiler.
Wait,
It's
that's
called
just
a
the standard.
furnace. It is called a furnace.
Is a furnace a boiler? Someone in the chat, let me know.
Even a Christmas.
A boiler.
What heats your hot water?
Water heater.
Yeah, that is a water heater. That's not even the furnace.
So what's a furnace?
A furnace
That's
is what
your
boiler.
produces heat throughout
That's your
house.
HVAC.
Yeah.
That's your
So it's your
HVAC.
heating system. Our boilers. That's what our boilers do. They heat up the hot water which goes into the radiators, which warms the
Radiators,
house.
yeah.
Yeah, ours are electric over here.
Oh.
I
Oh.
am
Well,
once
in the
again
Northeast,
asking
to be
for a
fair-
bounce off the 80s.
Yeah. To be fair, in the Northeast, there's a lot of radiators.
So you don't have gas. It's all electric.
All right, break
we
even.
have gas.
Yeah,
I have-
oil.
I
In
have
the
gas.
Northeast, in the
Oil?
Northeast, when I lived in Boston, we had oil. We had an oil tank, and they would fill that with oil, and that's what
Right.
you would burn to heat your radiators up.
Hey, that seems.
Yeah, older houses still have that.
Yeah.
A lot of houses use natural gas now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this still looks so good for a long. I gotta break even.
I mean, gas is
But
a
I'm
lot
not gonna-
cheaper than electric.
I'm not gonna hop in up here.
No, yeah, you're just asking to get chopped anywhere around here. You got to wait for a breakaway
Mhm.
from this area.
What if it's still long?
I mean, if you're long from lower, like below 330.
I like
sure.
shorts. I like shorts. I really do. I don't know why, but I do. Maybe not, but
This
Oh,
is
yeah.
terrible action. Okay. All right, Phoenix. I'm sorry. Okay, maybe it's not the good mornings to you which cause it because you didn't get one today. We're doing
I'm
this.
short at 77
Still
because
cracking up
I
about
just
the
think we go
boiler.
down.
What do you mean? That's what it's called. That is. I thought that was a universal term. I didn't think I was going to get any shit about calling it a boiler.
Yeah, well, we think pest control is a universal thing, so
That's
Well, it's not.
exactly
Yeah,
what
no,
people
we
know. It's
have
gonna
pest
break these
control. I
people.
told you about the TV shows. We have pest control TV shows, but you only call them if you have a problem.
British boiler equals American
I
furnace.
think this pushes down.
Right.
Oh,
Thank you, Mandeep. Thank you. Calling it a furnace.
oh, the slippage is real.
A furnace is what you have at the crematorium.
It was universal,
Huh?
Khaled says, in
Oh
1950.
my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Pain.
Total pain. But I like shorts.
Boiler is so common. Thank you, Ollie. Thank you.
Ollie.
Thank you. Finally, a British
Palmetto, you
person
gotta
in
look
the
at the
chat.
feet on your face. Have you taken some L's today or something?
I'm just so. I mean, I have. I'm down 720, not including commissions. Actually, what's the final figure?
Yeah, you brought it back
the
yesterday.
calculator
though,
out
from
for this.
from worse than that, actually.
Go.
Yeah,
This is
I'm just
gonna
not
blow
excited
down.
to do it again.
Yeah.
Is it going into retirement? The IBH
Down
breakout.
762 with commission.
What's the stats for the month? Like total profit and loss on,
On
the
the-
It's been a
IBH.
bad
Initial
month
balance
for,
break?
for that strat.
Yeah.
Yeah, god awful, like horrendous. Including today, probably down 1,000, which like isn't crazy. That's the thing
That's
that
not
I'm
bad.
like. Yeah, that's what I'm like keeping it in mind with is that over the last 3 months prior to this, July, August, and September, on just one account, it's up like 25,000. So taking 1,000, 2,000 in drawdown, in terms of like the grand scheme of the P&L, is completely fine. My only worry is that I don't have 25,000 in drawdown. I have
Yeah,
2,000,
on your-
so I need to
Yeah.
manage that.
Right.
Yeah.
That's the only issue.
What
that's the problem
size do you
with
use
prop
for
firm
it?
trading is you can't afford stretches like that at all. Like you just can't.
No.
Yeah,
unless you've got a
drawdown
big
is
live account
difficult.
You gotta
balance.
cut them off.
Sorry, what was the question? Oh, how many contracts
Furnace in
for?
it? Yeah, he's called an incinerator. I'm with you on that.
Incinerator.
I mean, it's just not a nice term to put your loved ones into an incinerator.
Ollie, boiler is not commonly used here in America. Boiler is.
It is the common term in the UK, just to let you know.
Yeah, because you guys are still living in the 1950s, like
What you-
Alan said.
All right. What do you think of our plugs?
Portion,
Much better
bro.
design, right?
Of your what?
Plugs.
Plugs?
UK has the best plug design.
Oh, no way. 100% no way.
What do you mean?
Oh, like
100%?
the electrical
Oh,
plugs?
they're the worst.
Why are they the worst? They're completely safe. You have the middle pin which unlocks the other two, so you can't have children electrocuting themselves like your
Oh,
sockets.
Traveling with
think-
adapters
think
is
people
the
actually get
worst. Those are the
electrical
worst.
I mean, you have to travel with adapters because you introduced a terrible plug system, which
Wait,
is just
I didn't
completely
even know it was-
unsafe.
I didn't even know it was different.
What do you mean you didn't know it was
Oh
different?
my
I didn't
god,
know it
yeah,
was
it's the
different.
worst.
Have you never been to the UK?
No, I've never been to the UK.
We pop up.
Why not? What have you got against us?
It's nothing against you. I just have never been. I don't
Sounds
have
like you got
relatives
something
there or
against
anything
us.
like that.
Called our food unseasoned. Don't want to travel here.
Okay, that's
Yeah,
a
it is.
universal
not
thought,
you.
actually. Even if you watch like food review channels like on YouTube of people from the UK, they go and taste other cultures' food and they're like, "Oh, the flavor!" They trip out on how much flavor
No,
everything
no,
has
no,
in
no.
seasoning and
I think I
salt.
know who you're talking about. What? So you talking about those two British dudes? I think one of them's name is Ollie.
I think one of them's name is
I
Ollie
think
as
you're right.
well.
Oh,
Yes.
what? No, but they're going to the barbecues and stuff. Like they go to like the proper barbecues. I've seen that. Yeah. But that's different. I mean,
No, that's
respect
not different. That's everyday
still food.
eating over
It's
here.
food.
It's not. It's not different.
It's literally just food.
Yeah, it is just food.
I mean, I would like to go for like Texas barbecue. Like that is on
There
my
you go.
bucket list.
There
Okay,
you go.
Chick-fil-A, Nims.
But you know what?
Chick-fil-A.
But
We have
to have
Chick-fil-A
proper
here. don't we?
barbecue, you should do Kansas City barbecue. I wouldn't do Texas barbecue.
Yeah, but Chick-fil-A is like
Fighting
done by like
words.
the London chicken shops. There's all the London chicken shop reviews.
Oh, with
Okay.
the Amelia girl, DeMaldenberg.
Oh no, she does the chicken shop dates, but there's like
Oh.
a guy who does like the chicken shop reviews. He goes around London doing
Oh,
Brits
okay,
don't have
sure.
Disney, man. Deep says.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Nando's.
Nando's.
Yeah, and Nando's is good.
That's what I've heard. I've heard it's
Uh,
great.
I get NHS discount because of my girlfriend, so we get 20% off Nando's. And it's like right next
Do you
to me.
ever do you ever call it a cheeky Nando's? I feel like I hear people
Oh
say
no!
that.
Yeah.
Oh man! Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
I'd lose all self-respect for myself if I ever called it a cheeky Nando's. Oh, let's go for a cheeky Nando's, lads.
What's
Oh
the
my
other
gosh.
one? What's
Well,
the
I'm
sandwich
long at
shop? Is it
85,
Greg's?
just so
Is that
everybody
what
knows.
the sandwich shop is? That's like
Yeah, Greg's. I had a Greg's yesterday actually. I've
Is
actually
it
got.
good?
I'm along at 85.
Yeah, you're pushed to
Greg's
talk. We
milk
can't hear
chocolate
you.
Yeah, we can't hear
caramel
you.
shortbreads. I got Greg's milk chocolate caramel shortbread 4-pack from yesterday.
Nice.
What? Chocolate caramel shortbread?
I don't know what you call them, like millionaire
is that like
slices. Do you
cake?
call them that?
Is that like cake?
No,
It's like shortbread, caramel, chocolate.
I don't think I've ever had
You want me to
that.
get one out?
Yeah, give
Sure.
us a visual here.
Eat it on stream.
Break even stop.
That's the
Let's go.
cross section. You see the chocolate, the caramel, the
You gotta
shortbread.
bring it closer to your camera.
Interesting.
Can you
Yeah.
see?
Okay, yeah. So it's like
Kind of.
almost like a
Yeah.
pastry.
Focusing.
Yeah,
blows
It's
through
like it's
IDH.
shortbread. It's shortbread and then caramel chocolate.
Ollie saying
Okay,
brain
took
retest
3
for the
off.
100th time.
So, like,
I'm-
hypothetically,
I'm long.
I'd want to take this, but I won't.
Pretty long. I've been long
I'm
for
not
hours.
touching anything until we get a break at this point. That's a lot of
I'm
side.
long
That
at
is a
85.
smart idea. It's a bramble
And I-
pie.
Bramble pie? Yeah, what is
Yeah.
bramble pie?
What is bramble pie, Mandeep? I don't think that's a thing. I'm going to be honest with you, man. I'd love to support you on your bramble pie, but I think someone just ripped you off with one. Oh, this is a bramble pie.
Yeah, Ollie, this action is pretty boring. That's why we're talking about shortbread and the difference
Yeah,
between
well,
UK and American culture.
You talking a mince pie? Like a mince pie is a thing.
What exactly
That's
is
like
a
a-
mince pie? Like, I've heard the term.
I mean, it sounds disgusting. It sounds like you put mincemeat in a pie, but it's like a sweet thing. It's like a load of different berries and currants,
Mm.
like put into a pie that you have for Christmas.
Oh, Bramley apple pie. Interesting.
Oh, a brownie apple pie. I mean, yeah, apple pie is just a universal
That's
thing.
disgusting.
Yeah.
That's,
I mean, we
not
have apple
breaking
pies here.
Yeah. I know. I mean, you had the
Ours are probably
famous
much
American.
sweeter than yours.
Was it the American pie scene with the apple pie?
What?
It was like a famous thing when I was growing up.
Yes, it is a famous thing.
Yeah. Is that what all Americans do?
No, that's not what all
No,
Americans do.
no.
I watched American Pie so many years ago. I don't know what the context is.
I think we'll keep it PG friendly to make sure
Yeah,
Mason
yeah.
still gets
Okay.
paid.
Okay, understood.
Right. He doesn't have to deal with. Yes.
Guys, there's no way we fall back into the range, right? There's no way.
I'm
about
I'm
90%
up 10
certain
points.
that we do.
Whoa. All right. Let's take that 10% market.
It is just any kind of breakout trade is getting wrecked right now. You're just getting chopped to bits.
I'm still in my long from 86.
Yeah, I mean, I'm still in my long from 91 from an hour ago.
It's gross.
Yeah.
Gross price action.
So what's like Louisville famous for?
The Kentucky Derby, bourbon.
There
Okay.
you go.
Jack Harlow.
Urban.
Yeah, I mean Jack Harlow, I guess.
Okay.
If you're more on the
Jack Harlow's
entertainment side of
likable.
things. Basketball.
Oh, true.
What basketball team?
Well, the University of Louisville and the University of Kentucky are considered
The University of Kentucky, yeah.
Oh,
some of the
okay.
best
What's
college
your
basketball in
NBA
the
team?
country.
Until they
Yeah,
run into
Louisville
the
Slugger.
University of
Yep,
Kansas.
baseball bats. We're known for baseball bats.
Nice, Kevin.
Oh.
Yeah. Ali. Yeah, that's
Oh.
right, Sanders.
All right,
Okay,
come
Tim.
on.
Yeah,
Finally get
Muhammad
paid.
Ali. Muhammad Ali's from here.
Okay. All right.
Oh, really? I
You
didn't
got a
know
few
that was
things.
like-
Yeah.
I mean,
Oh, this
I don't-
is just brutal.
yeah. I know what's bright. My hometown's just famous for like gay people and like gay pride parades.
So it's the San Francisco of the UK.
Yeah, just like that. We have the Lady Boys show. Pretty much runs
Oh,
like
no.
6 months of the year. They put up the tent and everyone goes to the Lady Boys show.
Oh no.
I don't think they'd be welcomed in other towns in the UK like they are in Brighton.
Is that literally what you call it?
Yeah, it's the Lady Boy show. Yeah, it's a load of Thai lady boys and they just sing
Hey, if
like
you don't wanna know.
gay anthems.
Yeah. No, I've been to Bangkok. I've been to Burma too. So yeah, no.
Yeah.
Okay.
I've been to
So,
Bangkok.
all right. So
Yeah,
take notes.
it's literally called the Lady Boys of Bangkok,
Oh man.
Hilarious.
and it seems to be permanently running. They just put up a tent in a green near where I live, and like just run shows like 3 a night.
Conveniently right where you live.
Yeah,
interesting.
that's what I was thinking too. I wasn't gonna say it, but
I mean, Brighton is
Yeah.
small, but it's like everywhere is like a 10-15 minute walk from my house.
Yeah, guys, it was in this park, and then my agent showed me this apartment with the view of the park, and I said, "This is it."
Mate, sadly you cannot see inside the tent. Alright.
Just a look test. Wow, this is brutal.
Yeah, Kev, I'm with you. I'm
Delta's
still in my
holding
long.
up.
Yeah,
I'm
it is.
still interested. Delta's holding up. Above
I mean, I'm
400.
hanging out in this long, but wow.
I mean,
Yeah.
Palm, do you want to get wrecked on the same trade again?
I'm not taking the breakout trade again.
Okay.
There is no breakout.
No, because if I'd taken it again there, I would have gotten wrecked again.
Yeah.
No, I'm
look at
I'm
the
gonna-
wicks there. at IBH. I mean,
Hopefully, scout my way out.
We're going to 520. That's fine. When we go there, it's the question, but we're going there.
I
520 is
540.
aggressive.
I like where Palm was
aggressive.
looking 540.
Yeah, that top wick on the daily at like 539, I think it is.
Oh, I didn't say we were gonna get there today. I
Here
just
we
said I had
go.
that marked out.
Hey, let's
Get
have
a
confidence.
breakout.
We're going
Get
there.
a
We're going there
breakout.
now.
Wow, look at that.
Dave, are
That's
you
just
trying it? Dave, you got to stop trying it, brother. If you're still trying
I'm in.
this
I'm still
IBH
in the.
Oh, you're still in
I
it?
know.
Okay.
I'm still in it. I'm in a long.
Where you in from?
I'm in a long from 85. So.
All right. Is this
Oh,
is this
okay.
one trade or is this one of your pyramid schemes?
Is there any
I'm
place
thinking of
Dave
pyramid
hasn't
yen.
been?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Dave's well traveled. Dave is well
No,
traveled.
in the market today.
It's true.
Any point in the market where he hasn't bought or sold in this range.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, here it goes. There
All
we
right, we
go.
poked that prior high.
There we
Let's
go. Come on.
go.
520.
Cool.
Look at him
on.
celebrating. You ready for this giant smack back into the range?
No,
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 you
you should,
please,
you
no.
should get at least
Oh, this
440
is-
looking at the orders.
I would
here.
like to see IBH get retraded and holding that because Delta
Yeah.
looks for a long.
I like this a lot.
I mean, I could exit here and be up 100 plus points on the day.
All right, I am long. Kind of a
Which
bad
is-
entry because it's like at the highs, but we're gonna rock with that.
Welcome, Palmetto. There aren't any big lots on the Dom, Kev. Well, you can change that, Kev.
Yeah, throw some size on.
Yeah.
Throw a bit in
Yeah,
there.
put that magnet sell order way up there at 540.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just DM Anon quickly.
My stop is break even. I think I get the break even stop here probably.
Where's the
Yeah.
entry?
Break even.
Oh, okay.
It was 27. Break even.
Oh, all right.
It
Dave,
was a
why,
very aggressive entry, so I'm not surprised.
Dave, why haven't you taken the 20 points?
Well, I have. I went in 5 micros. I took
Alright.
3 off at 20.
All right.
I've taken 1 more off on this little punch up, and
Yeah.
I've got 1 runner.
Nice. All right. My runner's with you. We're going all the way to 520. Or back
I'd
into the
love to
range.
see it bounce here, or it just wick test the previous wick. It may not do any of those things.
Stream can't end until I exit my trade, Wesley, which is when we get to 520.
Nice little test. Let's see if it can
Can't
hold
end
it.
until we get to 520.
That's correct, yeah. That's the rules.
Yikes! It might just
Yeah.
be you. It might just be you on camera in my charts.
Yeah, that's
at
it,
that point in time.
It's a nice little retest, but let's see if it can hold.
Yeah. The 72-hour stream.
Right.
Just sitting through chop.
Yeah, it's pretty bad, but this is what you expect. Yes.
I mean, this is what, at least I've got what I wanted now, this push up. But I mean, whether it continues or not is the question.
Oh, it'll continue. It's just going to be slow.
It's going to continue.
Yeah.
I'm just concerned with how slow the pace is up here. We just broke out of like a pretty solid range. The fact that pace hasn't picked up and we're not putting in volume up here is concerning.
I think we'll be good. I mean, I'm more confident now. I'm 40 points up in my trade than I was. But
Kev saying he didn't take 100 points of heat on this one.
that's true, Kevin. Well done. That is a big plus. That means you'll have to take 300 points of heat to make up for it tomorrow.
Still play Sam. That's right, Alb. Uh-oh.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Guaranteed Lions beat Cowboys.
Is that tonight?
No, it's Sunday.
Oh.
Where's your awfully quiet?
Wes is gone.
He's gone. He's gone. As soon as I
Gone.
talk about betting on the Lions, Wesley just disappears. All right, guys, how much should I put on it? £500, £750, or £1,000?
It's a lot of money, dude.
Oh my god.
For a single game. I'd go with
Wow.
the smaller amount. Whatever you want to pull out of that one.
I don't know what I'm up.
Here's
I think
the
I'm up.
blackout.
I think I'm up like just under $2,000 betting on the Lions so
Wow.
far this year.
Well, I definitely I would definitely would not put 1,000 in then.
Yeah, Kev, Wesley's ghosting us. Yeah, I bet the heating company's not even there today. It's just like just can't be bothered with us two.
Well, they couldn't find the boiler.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Because he's been calling it a furnace. They're looking for a boiler, and they're like, what is this? What's a furnace?
Oh, bounce off of this and go up.
Oh man, dude, it's so slow up here. That's the craziest part. That's what makes me think this break is kind of weak.
Yeah, it's very
I
suspect.
mean, I think we just gradually creep our way up, slightly higher wick, slightly higher wick.
Gearing up to
I mean,
add.
it's a breakout traders getting wrecked today. All right, Kev, how high do you think we go? I know you're asking that question in the voice chat, probably on the Discord. So,
And I'm out.
give us your reasoning, Kev, for how high we go and why.
I like that trade. That was a 60-point trade.
Nice.
As I got out, as it started coming down, I'm out. So
Yeah, yeah. $4.35 is a 10-minute EMA flip price. Kev, you got to aim higher than that. You turned into a scalper.
it's the yeah, see the ES is still kind of hung up.
I mean, Kev, you always told me, unless China's invading Taiwan, there's no reason to get out of a long.
Yeah, 452 is
Good
a target.
DD.
All right, can we creep up? Does anyone know why it's so slow?
I don't know why, but it's concerning to me. The fact that we just broke out of a pretty significant range and there's no
Yeah.
aggressive follow through.
I mean, it depends on what you consider the range. I mean, the range after open, but I mean, we've been chopping at this zone for all of pre-market.
Yeah, I'm saying range isn't like above IDH. Or
Yeah,
the initial balance. That's what I'm calling the range.
I mean, I put more weight to it if like initial balance is like near overnight highs or something. But like once when you have to be like me and you've been staring at this chop zone since probably 2 a.m. your time, it doesn't feel like that significant of a break.
ES never broke out. That's tough. I've heard
Yeah, that's
ES is pretty egregious today as well.
Yeah.
Right.
I haven't looked at it, but word on the street.
Sorry, guys, we're getting
So-
really close to being done with the HVAC.
Nice.
All right,
What does
I'm gonna
HVAC
try that
stand
long.
for?
What does
Stop at
HVAC stand
18.
for?
Yeah.
Heating something and air conditioning, venting.
Oh yeah,
maybe?
because
I don't know.
you've got air
That's
conditioning units as well. Those foreign things.
That's a wrap.
So, do you have the air conditioning units in Windows?
No.
Or is that just a New York thing?
I mean,
That's
most of the
just
homes,
if you
especially in the
don't-
Midwest,
Most homes now have central air.
yeah, have central air.
Because I remember when I stayed in New York, like I rented an Airbnb. It was like my first Airbnb, and they had the air conditioning unit in the window, and I tried to open that window, and the air
Oh,
conditioning
no.
unit
Fell
just
out.
fell, just fell out. I don't know. It was like probably like 12 stories that it like dropped down to the
Oh,
ground.
oh my
Are you
god.
serious?
Yeah,
Oh my
and then
goodness.
I
Oh
was
my
just
god.
panicking that like maybe I've killed someone, maybe I've done anything.
Oh,
So
no.
all I did was I turned off all the lights in the apartment and just sat in the dark for like 2 hours, like just
Ban
praying.
British people from coming to New York. Oh my
Oh, that's
god.
so good.
Donna,
That
my
is so
mic is
good.
much lower than theirs.
It's a little quiet. It's not like crazy, but it is a
Yeah.
little
Yeah, I
quiet.
have the gain turned down on it so that it doesn't pick up that reverb, that echo that we were hearing on the previous
Yeah.
streams.
Yeah.
But it's not like peaking or anything. I'm right in the right range on OBS, so it shouldn't be that much quieter.
Maybe you just need to turn me down.
I don't know. I'm basically
would-
in and out of this stream
That's-
anyway, so I guess it really doesn't matter.
All right, can we
All
get
right,
this
I'm trying
push
to
up?
long at 23.
For what it's worth, I'm long 23 quarter.
Oh, look at
That's
you both
where
long
I'm at.
23.
That's where I'm
The
at.
ideal trade is like the 20 to 80 rotation up to 480 right now. That would be
Yep.
awesome.
I mean, we
That
got
would
London
be
close
the
coming up
trade.
here in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
So the fact that we were not able to hold lows and push lower, I'm thinking we grind back up into. I think we grind back up.
I mean, what was
Lows are in,
yesterday's
like,
yesterday's
real
high?
low.
You
Was
might be in one of those trades that you just got to hold all day. Slow grind
Well,
up.
I'm break even right now, and my last two break evens have yep, there it is.
Yeah.
Immediately gotten tagged. Like immediately, as soon as it sets.
Donna
you not think of give-
hesitates to say Nims is loud. Yeah, Nims is always loud.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
That's all right, Donna. You can say it.
I'm still in it.
I'm still in from 91.75.
I mean,
I got
you
back
might be in
in.
it for a couple hours, Dave.
I've already been in this trade for an hour.
I'm so tempted to go break even, but I gotta let it breathe.
I mean, where's your entry, Dave? Where's
Well,
your
I
entry,
got
Nims?
out of the earlier one, and then I got back in at 23.50. I should have stayed in and just pyramided in, but
Oh, yeah.
I got in at 90. I'm in at 91.75. I've been in this for over an hour.
that was my original entry. Was there? No, I think I got in at 85. Then I got in.
I
At this point, up is the move that makes sense. We're holding above IBH.
already
Looks
have
like a
20
full-
points
full
on this
news
trade because I
retrace
took
would
one
be
off.
all the way up to pretty much 480, 478.5.
That was like yesterday's high as well.
Buying slowly starting to pick up.
Yep.
I'm not about to buy the high though. Damn, that break even just did me so dirty.
It did you
That's
dirty,
tough.
100% Paul.
Do you not think of giving it a little
I'm
bit
gonna
more
move
breathing
break
room?
even now.
I actually just took. I only had the auto break even on there because I had been using it on the IB trades. So I was
Oh,
like,
right,
okay,
right.
if I have the capability to like have an automatic break even, I'll use it. But I just disabled that because that's more than a few times. It's been just too quick.
Yeah,
So I'd rather just- and it's-
I need like 15 points before I can go break even because I just feel it will just come and stop me out.
Yeah. The only reason I have it on the IB trade is because some of the breaks are so quick that I physically don't have time to move everything to break even. It needs to be done by the computer because it'll do it instantly.
Yeah, I get that.
But on scalp trades where I'm just using one contract, it's I should be able to like have the time to actually manually move it. And it'll be
How
fine.
many contracts do you use for the IB break?
4.
Oh, right. Okay. Jeez. Okay. I see. I
Wow.
see why there's the break even stopping.
Yeah.
Yep, slow grind up.
Yeah, it's looking good. I like
I'd
the
say
trade.
that.
All right, guys.
Getting
I'll be
closer
right
and
back.
closer to buying the highs. Oh, he's gone again.
I just took 3 off there. I've got 2 runners.
Nice. Are you long from IB?
Higher. I got long
higher.
at 20. I got long when you got long at 23. I just had to let it breathe.
Okay. Smart. You're getting paid.
And then on this last little push up, I went 5 micros. I took 3 micros off. So that was 11 points that I took off of the 3 micros, and so I'm just gonna let these 2 run, see what happens. Yeah, take me
Okay.
10 points, Nibs.
What do you mean 10 points? I'm up 60 points. No, 50 points. I mean, I don't know. I just think that we're going into the 500s
No,
today.
we're totally going up. I mean, this is
Yeah.
that's why I like that break and retest of IB. It looked like it was going to be pretty sketchy, but I don't know. It's just a slow climb up now. I mean, you might get a drop down just to grab some, shake out some weak hands, but
That's what I'm looking for. A liquidation break would honestly be really nice to get in on.
yeah, and it would take me out break even. I'd be one of those weak hands.
Always get back in.
Exactly. But I made
We
money
got
off the
one
silver.
yesterday. Like during that grind up yesterday, we did get a liquidation break, which is pretty nice.
Like this
I
here.
forget when exactly, but I remember seeing it.
Can you get a liquidation break when it's this slow?
You say should you or shouldn't you?
I said, can you?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Is like when
Oh,
you
yeah.
start grinding up like this, and you start having this like really back and forth auction that starts to move higher. I personally like to look for that aggressive attempt to sell that hits some level you have marked out, like a prior high or something, somewhere it makes sense to get long and your risk is defined,
Yeah.
and then try to take that back up. If we get the break, bounce it, and then go retest structure above without reclaiming that structure, then it starts to look like short. But as long as that break is quick, fast, and it takes out some key level where buyers might have had a lot of positions at, and you got a lot of people out, it's like exactly that break is what I want to take back up into the highs.
Okay, that took me out break even, so I'm ready to get in if it looks favorable.
Yeah, I kind of want to wait till like 20s or IB. I don't know. We're just stuck,
Oh,
man.
I'm waiting.
It's
I'm gonna
straight
wait.
sideways. Pace is slow. Tape is not moving.
But I made something out of that, so I'm good. I'm happy.
Yeah.
I mean, I've been chilling for
Dave, you've been
a
taking
long
scale
time.
outs recently, it sounds like.
Yeah, I'm really, really trying hard to do that.
Nice. I'm a fan.
And all this, and for me, what this is practice when I go to say minis. I want to get this practice in. I want to get the muscle memory on how to do it in the micros.
Mhm.
Because I never used to do that before. It was all or nothing. And I'm not liking what I'm doing here.
All right. When I don't know about you guys. When West gets back, I need to bounce. Unfortunately.
Yeah, I'm thinking about taking an exit on this trade.
Yeah, see right now this is interesting here. What does it do at IB?
Yeah, Delta looks good for buys. Personally, still kind of holding structure.
Right.
420 traded. As long as we hold above 412 half, that's that little prior pivot we have going right now. That
Yep,
was that
yep.
sweep below IB. As long as we hold above that, I do still like longs.
Mm-hmm.
Again, though, pace is just abysmal.
I feel this is a trade that I just put in a break-even stop in and then just go and do something else and hope it goes up to 500.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea, honestly.
Yeah. I mean, I'm already up like 100 points on the day, so I can't complain.
Awesome.
Nice.
It's much easier when you size down though, and you can sit through the chop, and it's not like the end of the world when it goes against you. Because I did take like 28 points of heat or something on this position, which is just not doable if I'm like 2 minis. That's my account gone.
It's your account gone when you do that, yeah.
Yeah. But when you have a good feeling about where it's going, then it's much easier just to sit and chill through micros. Alright. I like that buy up off 20.
I do too. I didn't really get an entry for it, but I do like to buy it.
I got an entry at 26. I wasn't happy about it because I waited too long, but I'm in.
Take your 10 points,
All
Dave.
right, you're in.
Well, I took 3 off right there.
Nice.
So now I'm
All right,
going
no
to
more
run. I'm
HVAC
break even.
disruptions.
Way.
I'm break even with 2. So yeah, I mean, this is working out right now. I wanted that bounce off of 416 off the IBH, but I just got late, real late, 10 points late.
Wes, you're back.
Yeah, I'm back. I'm good.
What time are you thinking of killing the stream? Because I got to bounce.
Probably pretty soon.
Right, but at 5:20.
Probably pretty soon.
You're 5:20. Okay. Yeah,
gotta go
I
eat
can give
something
like
here shortly.
5 more minutes.
You gotta work?
Well, I can give you like 5 more minutes, and then I like need to go.
We can call it. I mean, we can call it. I'm not
It's
gonna
up
get
to
into
you.
anything here anyway, and my charts are the ones that are up right now. So yeah, we can call it. Nims, you want to give the outro?
Thank you everyone for tuning in today and putting up with everything. I am incredibly sorry we didn't get to go through the slideshow, but if you tune in next week, next Friday, we can go through the holiday slideshow. I'm sure just tell your friends, tell your family, tell everyone to come and join because I'm sure they'll have a great time.
And where can they
This is
see this
awesome.
slideshow, Nims? Plug.
They can see this slideshow on stream next week. We'll be prepared. We'll have it. I'll transfer the images
Oh
to
my
Wesley
God.
to his OBS.
Yeah.
Oh
This was
my
a terrible
God.
We'll have a
idea to let him do the outro.
We'll have a PowerPoint
Terrible
presentation,
idea. Terrible.
some star fade outs.
No.
No,
You
we'll
forgot
be
to
more
give the
prepared
proper
next
plug.
week, guys. I agree with Wesley. It wasn't a good idea to
Martin.
show them in Discord numbered, so
Martin,
we'll
thank
make sure
you.
we have them on Wesley's charts
There
for
you go,
next
Kevin.
week.
All right, guys.
Maybe-
Palm,
Gosh.
thanks for coming on. Dave, thanks for coming on. Nims, thanks for coming on.
course,
If you aren't
brother.
a member of the Level Up Discord community yet, there's a free link in the description for an invite. Go ahead and join.
What he wanted.
If you aren't
friends,
subscribed to
that's
my
what he
YouTube
wanted.
channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. Albu has put out his first content on his YouTube channel as well. And if you aren't subscribed to Albu yet, go ahead and subscribe to Albu. Albu
He
Trades.
says at 50 subscribers, he's going to do face cam.
Yeah.
Smart
Anyway,
move.
boys, thanks for
Smart move,
coming on.
Sanders.
We'll do it again next week. And enjoy
Still
the
on
rest
my
of your
lawn.
day. All trade safe. Stay patient. We'll see you soon. Peace.